Yeah, I'm about to step in the ring for the fight of my life. Hit my knees and I strap on my gloves. Boy, I've been prepping since like I was 7. And thing is, I'm already covered in blood. Walking in love, this for the ones who been stuck in the mud. Searching for hope. Trust me, I know what it feel like to drown in my problems. But God came and threw me the rope. Can't wait to look in his eyes. All of my life I've been battling lies. I found the truth and took off my disguise. Come for my head, I still live for the prize. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I was in the city going down, trying to blow. Everything changed when I learned to let it go. Hopping on stage, I ain't in it for the show. Only got one life, so I gotta let them know. Talk about real. I seen a man's whole bad hill. I seen a woman drooling out the mouth. I seen the demons in the cast it out. I seen my brother throw his whole vape in the lake. Seen smooth heal from the dark. I seen the spirit change my own heart. Can't tell it all, but this a good start.
K to the second letter. Who got the keys to the Jeep and the Hiller? They ain't never been realer. I am not shook, I'm aligned, didn't chill. My face blue still, I ain't never been stiller. Ooh, KB ain't gotta get bigger. Ooh, Southside sing killers, bring light to the dark spots. Wake up, I didn't make up this God, the divine concealer. On the bread of heavens like the red and black 11s, walking through the pearly gates. Bobby do the most, I'm in the Holy Ghost. I'm looking like the Pope swerving race. They gon' get the word today. I send a text back, never curved the fate. Jesus, curses break, slaves get freed and the words awake. Ever seen a dope dealer? Cold killer, gold brother crying on the floor with us. Cause your hoe hit him, had a hole in him, now you got a hole in it. Tell him the dead see here. We the new Israel, it's real. God really lives here, watch the sin here. Way more to tell, we begin here. We begin here. I put my hand on the Bible, the Lord is my witness that KB is closer than blood. I got that HGA tatted right next to my heart, so you know it's gonna always be love. Don't need no contracts or labels, you know we got him a seat at my table. Hovey little bro, so I'm willing and able. I keep some riders at home in the stable. Whoa, 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 I done told it all, but I still got more. Remember when the folks got killed next door? Partner told me sell pills, not blow. Shorty told me my career won't blow. Swear I don't care about the status. Why would I clout chase when God is my daddy? Take all my records, my money, my Grammys, I'm still going down richer than you can imagine. Jesus the king, I'm his prophet. Send me to Nineveh, I get it poppin'. They see an interview, swear I ain't with it. I say come see what I do in my city. From cooling with Kendrick to walking through Romans with people in prison. Let me stop talking, cause man, I've been did it. Can't let my left hand on my right position. Y'all just gonna have to see when I transition. I can't tell it all, man. Let's go.
Hey, yo, W's in the chat. Welcome in, welcome in. Who's fired up? Who's ready to roll? Who's ready to go after their dreams, their goals, make things happen, improve their trading, improve their life? Anybody else? Anybody else? Or is it just me? Is it just me? Welcome in, welcome in. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Vincent? What up, PM Magnifico? What up, Wokey? Daniel in the building. What's goody, what's goody? What up, Stevie Mac? Energy is in the house. Energy, what's good, what's good? Let's get to it, man. Y'all get fired up. Vector's in the building. Bands counted up. Mr. Lopez, how you doing? What's goody? What's goody? What up, Harry? How you feeling, man? Mr. Smith in the building, letting fireworks off. Let's go. What up, Zyper? Louis G in the building. Verse 3. Mr. Verse 3. What up, Tom? What's good? What's good? Judith in the building. What up, Judith? Mike Hill FX. What up, Mike Hill FX? I like that. With a K. All right. Happy Wednesday. Excuse me. How's everyone feeling? Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're feeling good. What's up? What's up? Ewan's in the building. What up, Ewan? What up, Xander? What up? What up? Mr. Kraft is feeling good. Let's get it. What up, Bryce? Vibes in the building. What's good? What's good? All right, let me set up Zoom here. You know, standard protocol, and we're gonna get started.
Recording in progress.
Today is ADP day, so
recording stopped.
No rush really to get into a trade. You've got some major red folder news coming out here at 8:15 today. So you know, settle down, settle down, settle down. Let me see here. All right, perfect. You guys want me to leave the mics on for those guys that don't realize their mics on and we can hear some funny stuff? Or you guys want me to mute them? What do you think? What do you think, YouTube? What do you think, chat? Should we mute him or should we hear some funny stuff? Because I'm telling you, you will hear some funny stuff for sure. All right, let me send it out. I will share my screen. All right, cool. And let's just send the Zoom link out to the clubhouse. Clubhouse, we took a, what did we do? We took a buy there in London session, caught about 15 pips, and that was it. Zoom, okay, cool. All right, well, welcome in everyone, welcome in. It's another session. Let's get started here today. Another New York session. We got, we're in pre-New York right now. We have NY open at 8 a.m., but we've got some news here today. So let's go ahead and pray. Let's just ask for a blessing and just share how grateful we are for this day, and then we will rock and roll here. Ready? Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you, Lord. We thank you that we can gather here today. We thank you for a new day, Lord. It's like a brand new life here. We thank you for a restart. We thank you that we can rejoice that all things are new, Lord. We thank you that you're merciful. And I know that there's some people out here that they don't feel worthy of you, Lord, but just let them know how merciful you are to them, Lord. Bless their hearts, start a relationship with them, and guide them onto greatness, Lord. We thank you for your presence here amongst us every single day. We give you all the glory for the work you're doing, the spirit of victory, the spirit of 8-figure traders just dwelling amongst this place. We thank you for it. We give you all the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. God is good. Trust me, my friend, you are worthy. You are worthy. So let's go ahead and get the day started. It is Wednesday. It is the 30th day of October, and it's my brother Joe's birthday. How you doing? I'm not going to be able to see him today. He's in New York, but I'm sure maybe I can send him a crumble cookie or something like that at some point over the next day or two. All right. Anyway, it is the 30th here. It is the big day here for us this week. Finally got some pretty decent red folder news coming in. As you can see, Wednesday here, another day, another opportunity for us to just be disciplined, to be patient, and to be professionals, right? We got this ADP news coming in here at 8:15, as you can see. This should stir things up a little bit. We'll take a look at the technicals in just a moment, but for now, let's focus on what to be aware of. So at this point, I probably will not touch anything until after 8:15, right? So if you guys have to run an errand, if you got to use the bathroom, if you got to go make breakfast, now's the time to do it. I mean, you probably don't want to miss the gems over the next, hour, but whatever. But this is what's going on. This is what I'm waiting for here today. This is going to be the big movement here. Other than that, we do have some other news coming in later, but nothing too crazy, right? I think 8:15, 8:30 will be the big stuff for us here today. So that's what's ahead of us. Keep in mind, we do have NFP on Friday, so it will be a pretty big week moving forward from today on. So I look forward to the red folders coming in. Volume should be up, and our system thrives on volume, so we love that. So let's go ahead and take a look at the technicals. Let's do a fresh top-down analysis. You guys ready to go? Where's my Zoom chat? Oh, birthday cakes for Joey Stew. Birthday cakes for Joey Stew. Good day, my friends. Welcome in. What up, Zoomers? What's good, what's good, what's good? All right, everyone, if you can, on 3, give the stream a like. Even the Zoomers, give the stream a like. And let's break this thing down. Y'all ready? Let's take care of business here. So let's go ahead and look at the daily time frame. Let's see where we're at and what we can do and kind of how we can go about our business here today. So if we look at the daily time frame, right, clearly we have just been pushing up at this point. So we kind of found this really nice support here. We pushed up and then continued bouncing off this range here, consolidated for a little bit, but it looked like yesterday's candle ended up pushing us through that overall range here, right? We had this support, we had that resistance here, and pretty awkward candle, I would say, right? So if that's the candle that's going to break us out, crack all-time highs before NFP, could we potentially fake out, right? Meaning there's no bottom wick on the candle here. right? Notice two things. So one, there's no top wick on this current candle. So one thing we know about candles is that when they don't have a top wick, there's really no range for price to drive, right? So if this candle had a top wick, the next candle after making a low has an opportunity to fill that range here, right? You ever heard the term fill the wick, right? Fill the wick here. But if we look in this situation here, there is no wick at the top. So typically, if there's no wick at the top of these candles, what will tend to happen is the candle will move up in the beginning, right? And it will look for that range to fill, but it will not find it. So what it'll do is it'll turn back around, right? We've seen this happen over and over and over again. So could this happen today with this very awkward breakout here on the daily time frame pre-NFP this week? I don't know, man. Something's fishy here. So breaking all-time highs. So could we fake out back into the range? I don't know, potentially, right? That's somewhat of an idea here for today. Or we just continue moving up, right? And then we just kind of look for buys off support. But let's go ahead and see what the 4 hour looks like, because currently the daily has this wick here. So let me make this a little bigger here for you so you can see it a little bit better, right? So what happened was this candle opened up and it did exactly what we talked about doing, right? It kind of pushed up right away. Now it's beginning to notice, hey, no range here to the left, and now it's starting to reject, right? So that means it's most likely a 4 hour bearish candle that makes up this rejection. And if we break that low, you know, there's a high chance we'll start to push down here. So let's take a look at that 4 hour. There's our bearish candle that we're talking about. So look at this. This is just, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Would you look at
You
this?
look at that.
I mean,
Would you look at
just
that?
look at it, right? I mean, that's just insane amount of 4 hour candles in a row, and we're breaking here lows now, right? So this could potentially push the daily candle down. Let's take a look at the lows here, right, and see where we're at. So this is the 4 hour low. So if we do break that low, very high chance we will continue down to fill this range here. So let's go ahead and see what that low looks like. Looks like there's a support sitting there on the 1 hour time frame here. So check this out. So we are ranging right now. So check the 1 hour candle out. So you have support, right? You have resistance, and this is going to be our range pre-news right now. So this is the range pre-news. We'll take a look at the 30. We probably have to adjust that, and to be honest, it's probably going to be best below here. So we let news push price through, right? So typically what I'm going to do is, if it's all choppy here, most likely if we're going to move down, news will push, it'll do the heavy lifting for us. So it'll push price down. Once we break through this 4 hour low, that's going to be our daily candle breaking its own low. We get closures below here, it's game time. I mean, you got clean traffic, you got this minor support here, and then you got clean traffic 116 pips, right? Below there, there's also another 116, 120 pips there. So there's a lot of room to the downside here. If we do remain above something like this, then there's an opportunity for us to catch these buys on the way up, right? Kind of push down and plant support here or something like this. Then there's an opportunity now for us to move back up. So I think anything above here is still good for buys. Anything below starts to look pretty clean when it comes to sells. So let's keep our range pretty tight for now. I'm just gonna watch this 1 hour time frame, and we're gonna wait for news, and we'll go from there. Cool. Cool. So whatever's here right now will pretty much be redrawn up in, you know, less than an hour. So we'll leave it there for now, and then as price pushes through news, we'll adjust. And that's it. Now we wait. Clone. Boom, we're in these all-time highs, so it is pretty spooky. It is Halloween, right? It is October, and it's spooky out here. It's spooky. Yes, sir. What up, Clinks? Yo. What's good, Kelvin? ADP, yeah, you could trade it on MT5. It's just a news event. That's all. What up, Jamil? My man. Andrew, my man. Boo. Diogo said boo. It's spooky out here. Your futures daily has a top wick. Is it the one that mine has, like this? Because mine technically has a top wick. So is that what yours looks like? Pay the fee. Yeah, I took buys in London session here earlier. But zero follow through on this trade, like was very bullish for the most part. So got into buys here on the break of the high. So price came down, pushed down, created this inverted celery. This candle came down, made a low, broke the high, entered right here. Price came back down, right? Back into drawdown, and boom, popped up and just ended up closing 80% as we broke through this high, and then just boom, right back down. So no follow through on that trade, but was very bullish there, expecting price to potentially make its way up, but nothing, no follow through. But did end up getting a chance to close partials there. Yours is bigger? I don't think Top Step has any rule on the news stuff. Yeah, let's take a look at NAS here too. See what we got going down. So you know, everything will have everything with the US dollar today will have some sort of volatility come in. So if we're looking at NAS here, it looks like we did close bullish here yesterday. So we had pretty major resistance. If you notice, right, and you pay attention to the details, you'll see 1, 2 rejections there prior to this closure. So you did get a nice close there on NAS. Big engulfing candle here as well. So we did close above on the daily. We're looking like we have this resistance up here. So let's go ahead and measure that range. Like 140, 150 pip range there. So pretty decent range on the daily. I am pretty bullish. We gapped up here. We broke the highs. So am very bullish on the NASDAQ. So it looks like we have a support that's been formed. You have resistance here. Let's take a look to the left. Let's get rid of this for now. Let's look left. So yeah, you got semi decent traffic coming up above that range. The buys aren't too bad right now, but pre ADP I don't think so for me. But if we go down to the 1 hour here, right, we begin to create some range here for ourselves. So 1 hour, 30 got some consolidation. Yeah, 30 is a bit chopped here. I would personally just wait for news. I mean, this is the best range I got now, but come ADP, we could probably redraw some things. Yeah, you're most likely just gonna range. What do we got? Anything to the left? Nothing. So yeah, that's what I got. I would just hold your fire on everything until 8:30 here today. What's happening, Jamil? What's goody? What's good? What up, Visal? Alexandros. Yo. Yeah, how'd you guys do? Anyone trade London? Anybody catch it? I've seen some of you guys caught the sells too in London, right? You guys are daring. You guys are risk takers. Yeah, the management, yeah, it was pretty good. Yeah, we're really struggling here at that 15. If we go to the 15-minute time frame, yeah, right here we're just, wait, where is it? Right, yeah, right here we're just struggling. So ended up skating out of there. We were looking like we were going to keep driving. We made a nice little lower wick. We broke the highs there, and then nothing. Nothing, drove right back down. You got the shorts on GJ. Oh, nice. Very nice, very nice. Took a buy on NAS. Okay, in Asia. Nice. What up, Stephen B? Stephen B is here. No wick on the previous 1 hour here. We're struggling. Do I trade live US 100? Yeah, yes. About to be. So as of right now, yeah, green light is on NQ. So once I find a good opportunity, I'm gonna probably keep my size pretty low. I might have to rock out with the micros for a bit, and then yeah, then maybe go to NQ. Who's GJ? Whoa. Oh, music, Zoomers. Whoops. Spidey FX. Yep. Oh, you liking the NASDAQ, huh? Yeah, seems nice. Can we not look to fade up? Yes, you certainly can. But there's this news coming in that just from trading it over and over again and kind of doing stuff like that already, I just wait now. So I'm just going to wait for all the red folder. You could do it. It could work out. I don't like to do that anymore, especially like pre-ADP. If this was like maybe unemployment claims or something only, it wouldn't be the worst idea, but this is a little bit bigger. 1.3% today in gold. Oh, nice. But yeah, certainly this could fade up, or not even fade, onion off of the 30. Hope it goes down. Yeah, that'd be nice. Oh yeah, see, Jerson asked the same question. Yeah, so if there wasn't news coming out, or at least ADP coming out, this is a pretty decent buy position right here. What up, OGH? Good morning. Who do we got here in Zoom? What's up, Shelly? Project Toro Daniel. The sun ain't even up. That boy grinding. He ain't waiting for the sun. Kidding me? Crazy? We wait for the sun, man. Sheesh. Can't wait for nothing out here. Just gotta go. Who beat the sun up today? Who beat the sun up? Anyone? I beat it. I beat the sun up every day. The sun never gets up before me. My thoughts on buys? I like buys. I like buys potentially here. Remember, you're still, look how bullish we are, right? So we can easily turn around and just keep pushing bullish, right? So I do like buys. I am open for sells. You know, they just everything gotta play out, right? If things play out in certain directions, I'm open. Let's go. Everyone's out here beating the sun up. Y'all sun in the sun. The SUN is my SON. Was up at 4. Nice. Let's go, Andrew. What's up, Ben? What's goody? Welcome in. Who else beat the sun up, man? That's it? 15 people? Holy. Come on, even if you don't participate in the chat, even if you never type anything, who beat the sun up? Am I rolling with the winners out here, or am I rolling with the lazy boys? Talk to me, man. Talk to me. I want to see some names I don't normally see. Come on, don't be shy. He said no sun in Canada. I feel your pain. If you're a winner, type in the chat, man. Just say something. Say hi, Nick. Hello. What's good? I've been here. I'm working. I'm growing. I'm becoming. I'm overcoming to become better. Like, let me know. The lurkers. Oh man. Hey, at least you got up before the sun. Hey, I'm glad you're thinking about me, because that tells me that you're running too. My dog gets me up. Let's get it. What up, Ty Hill? Deuce Trey. Love it, man. Love it, love it, love it. I'm up 2,000%. Holy. That's a W. Trying to stay consistent. Let's go, Jack. You got this, bro. What up, Sophia? You can do it. You can do it, gang. I promise you. I am not that guy. I am not that guy. I am just a normal kid. Just a normal dude, just like you, who just is willing to bet on things working out versus things not working out. That's it. I make decisions and I take action. I mess up a lot. I make a lot of mistakes. I have big bummers and have crazy ideas and they don't go right. Trust me, gang. I'm no different than you. No better than you in any way whatsoever. I am doing fantastic, my friend. How are you? I'm not that guy. Trust me. I'm not that guy.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Have a lot of people out here that don't believe. You got to get away from them. You got to get away from the naysayers, man. You remember, anytime you step out and choose greatness, you will face violent opposition from mediocre minds. It's gonna happen. Look at their lifestyle. Would you trade life with them? Would you trade it? Do they have anything you want in life, right? Man, this would happen to me all the time. They're like, nah, man, don't listen to that, man. They'll bring a bunch of millionaires in there to show you their lifestyle to motivate you. I'm like, well, wouldn't that be a good thing, right? I mean, I'd hope they'd be millionaires, right? I don't want to be, I hope they wouldn't be broke people bringing broke people in to talk about being broke, right? So don't worry about the naysayers. They don't understand. They don't understand. Remember, you have a vision only you can see. So you have to get around other visionaries, other winners. Otherwise, these people will snatch you out, man. They'll try and take away your dream. You know, it's everywhere. It's biblical, right? It'll try and snatch you up, man. So you just gotta focus. Focus on the mission ahead. Don't worry about the people, especially if they're not living the life that you want to live. Let's go, Josh. W. W. Am I bullish on gold? Yeah. I'm bullish on gold. Anything above 27.89, I'm still very bullish on gold. Very bullish. Have I ever traded news? A few times. I actually did very well, but I that was it. You know, I took my luck and walked away. I knew it wasn't duplicatable. Hey, one time I traded news on a super small lot, made like $4,000. I was out. I was gone. And there was another time where I did really good, but that was it. That was it. I think I traded news one time on this live stream. We traded NFP one day, and yeah, I think I made like $10,000 that day. I needed that 10. Did I switch to futures? Yeah, I still trade Forex though. I still trade gold the way I always have. There's no new strategy or new system or anything like that. So nothing's really changed outside of just the market itself. Still same playbook, same strategy. I still trade Forex though. Yes, you gotta be very careful who you tell your goals to. Very, very careful. I'm in the candle business, man. I'm in the candle business. Yeah. If you could, try your best to never, ever, ever, ever tell anyone that you're a day trader or do anything with trading. Just make some other thing up and just tell them you work for the county. They'll leave you alone. Yeah, I work for the county electrical department. Boom, they stop. That's it. You start trying to tell them you're a trader and this and that and blah 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 blah. And oh man, you get lost in the you get lost in the sauce, man. Simple. I'm an accountant. Done. I'm in the candle business. The best is when they start trying to treat you like a peasant. Hey, maybe you could invest some of my money. Yeah, okay, buddy. Oh, yeah, okay, Uncle Bill. Some of your money? What do you mean? The $4,000 you have? Come on, Uncle Bill. Gotta love it, man. Gotta love it. Gotta keep these dreams, keep these goals, keep some of these ideas tight to the chest. Nobody needs to know nothing. Tell people you're a Power Ranger or something. Then they'll really leave you alone. Yeah, I avoid talking in the gym. Yeah, avoid talking in the gym. All right, so Here comes our 1 hour daily, our 1 hour candle closure here in about 3 minutes. I'm just gonna leave my chart on the 1 hour time frame currently. So trust me, there's gonna be some adjusting that needs to be done anyway in a little bit. But I'm curious to see how this 1 hour candle will close. Will it close outside the range, right? Will it close outside with no wick? Will it have a wick? Will it close in the range? Right, keep in mind the last 1 hour candle also closed with no wick, so pretty big closure here. Good morning. Yo, what up, Lee? What's good, YOLO trader? I hear that so much. Yeah, they're like yeah, like, oh man, why don't you invest my money then? Like, as if I'm gonna work for this guy now. Bobby, what's up, brother? Good morning, my man. Thank you for your prayers. Thank you, everyone that prays for me and my family, by the way. We really do appreciate that. We really do feel a overwhelming presence of the Lord, and I do believe that's because we have so many people praying for us, and that by far is probably the best thing I've received overall over the past, 5-10 years, and it's just increased, when we went live and stuff and started doing all this. Chola, not me. I'll go like this. I'll point at you, give you a smile, be like, and you'll just take your headphones off. You won't even know why. You just do it. I'll just have you just, you won't even know why you're doing it. The clock's gone back in the UK. Yes. Yeah. So everything seems to be about an hour back. Yeah, our clocks go back on Sunday. So this week will be a little funky, okay? Just to get used to the times. Yeah, anyway, so, we kind of hit a little slump here, in the month. Not really, but couldn't really find a good flow here about 2 or 3 weeks ago, but ended up, kind of getting back on track here. So last couple trades have all been very well. Nothing too crazy. Notice, maybe 35, 36 here, but 14, 15, 13, 15 the last couple trades, just taking what the market's given us at some of these advantage points and stacking up some green days. So way to push through that. Some traders kind of probably went overboard and they decided, you know what, I gotta go cry again and do all this stupid stuff. And shout out to all you guys that just trust the plan, man. We know the losses are coming. We know that they're part of the game, right? So just taking the losses as they come, not being, soft about it, and just rolling with the punches of the game, understanding what you're involved in. Some people, they just don't, they get into trading and they really don't understand what they're getting involved in, right? I was telling the London guys a story about, like, when I was getting my tattoo yesterday, I was asking the guy, he was like, you sit really well. Some people, they don't sit well. They move around, they're all herky-jerky and stuff, and I'm like, yeah. And he's like, they don't know what they're getting themselves into, right? And they stop and they pause, and the tattoo doesn't come out the best, and then they want to stop halfway, and they want to come back a different day, and they never get things done, right? Because they don't really understand what they're getting themselves into. A lot of times that happens with traders, right? They come into our stream or any stream or whatever, and they get some wins, they have some fun, and all of a sudden a couple losses come, and boom, it seems like they didn't know what they were getting themselves into. So just know you play a probability game, right? We run into losses and then we run out, right? And then we run into them, and then we run out from them, and then we run into them. Like, it's a healthy flow. You have to understand the ebbs and flow of life, and it's very healthy. It's very healthy to have losses in your P&L. So I know most of you guys are beginning to become more mature in that area, which is great. I love to see that. But some of you guys just still can't quite wrap your head around a loss, and you're revenge trading because of it. You're over trading, you're over risking, and it's just not worth it. So play the probability game, take your wins, take your losses, let the playbook, you know, get you the outcome. So you might see a fake out here. Definitely not touching this pre ADP. This just looks like a trap, right? So I'm definitely not taking anything here before this 15-minute candle closes. Yep. Came here because of the losses. Yeah. So just watch how I take my losses, right? Just watch. I mean, it's just another trade. Watch how I take my wins. Watch how I take my losses. There's a lot of people who have been here with me now for like over a year and a half. So they've seen me take my losses. They've seen me take my wins, and typically there's no change, right? There's no reaction, right? There's nothing different about my attitude, my actions, right? My decision making, right? We understand what we're doing, right? We understand what we got ourselves into. So you got to learn to stay composed and professional, right? Keep in mind what I was saying yesterday, where sometimes I would take these losses early on. I'll take like one loss, right? -1, and then I'll take another loss, -2, and then I'll bet 2 on the next one, and I'll be down 4, right? And all of a sudden now I go through this whole mental beatdown, right, along with financial beatdown, and then the next day I win 2 trades, right? So had I not taken these 3 like a immature newbie, right, I would have been back up, right? Instead I had to blow my account or blow my funded challenge and buy a new one and go through again that whole mental psyche beatdown, right, along with finances, right? And then I could have got it all back with a clear head the next day. So I used to do that all the time. Like, that's how I blew so many accounts. But then you learn to be disciplined, right? You learn to create a system to save you from you. For me, that was, if I took a loss, I was done for the day. Doesn't matter. I didn't care if there was another A+ setup showing up. If I took a loss, I was done for the day, because I had to grow out of the fact that I was being a little wimp, you know, and I was, you know, taking a loss and downward spiraling, you know, after it. So I had to mature, you know. In order to do that, I needed to take 5-6 months, and my plan was, if I took a loss, that was it. Called it a day. And that helped me develop discipline. Probability. Do you know a book to read about discipline? Yeah, life, right? You know how you develop really, really good discipline? You go through a period of time of being undisciplined, and you begin to realize that it won't get you anywhere, right? And it hurts, and it sucks, and it's annoying, and it's heartbreaking. So you begin to realize, I need some discipline here. This undiscipline is going to ruin me. And some wake up to it, some don't. That's how the cookie crumbles, but we're here to wake you up from it, right? That's one of the big reasons we do the live stream, is because we're here to set captives free and wake y'all up a little bit to your own greatness. So you can do it. You just have to be disciplined, and you have to put it into practice. Any trades in London? What up, Ecom Dre? Hey, man, what were you doing, bro? Did you oversleep? Where were you? Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like for me, please. Oh, beach day. Okay. Cool. Should you sell? I'm not. I would ask someone else in the chat. Just put it like this way. I'm not selling right now. Ecom Dre don't want to show no one love in YouTube. Damn. Damn, Ecom Dre. He said it's clubhouse or nothing. He's like, all right, I'll go sign on to YouTube now. If I must. Chat, what's up with Ecom Dre, man? You don't want to come show no love? Show no love in the chat? W Ecom Dre. 100, 100. When was your lady's birthday? Was it today? Yesterday? Tomorrow? If she's anything like my wife, my wife likes to celebrate like the birthday month. She's more of a birthday month type of gal. She's all giddy all month. Oh, nice. Today's my brother Joe's birthday too. We're gonna have to send him some crumble cookie. He's in New York, so we're gonna have to fly it. We're gonna have to ship it out. Yankees with the big W last night, eh? Trade the news on demo for fun? Alright, what should we do? I'm down. Should we... Okay, let's do this. Let's do sell stops on the break of this low. And then buy stops on the break of the high. Alright, I'm just an amateur. I'm an amateur. Raja is the GOAT to this. I'm going to stick with this practice account. Wait, can we do buy and sell on futures? Can we do that? Just for some fun? Did daylight savings already happen? No, not yet. Not yet. Sunday it's going to go down for us. I got a news play. You want to try it on demo? Yes. Ricky, what is it? I will. Let's do it. I am not going to trade before the news, Jack. No. The news is coming up here in 5 minutes. I'm just going to have some fun on a demo. 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 Talk to me, Ricky. What's the play? If not, I'm going to put a sell stop here. Buy stop. Buy stop on the break of the 1 hour highs. Sell stop on the break of that 1 hour low. Let 5 minutes pass. Enter on the break of the high or low provided there are wicks on both sides. On what? On the 5 minute time frame? Do not try this at home. What's up, Alex? Alright, so wait for this candle to close. Right? And if it's green, we buy. If it's red, we sell. On the previous high or low. Is that the plan? We're going to go with it. We're going to go with it. We're going to run it. Let the news come out. Oh, so on the following candle. Oh man, that's no fun though. I wanna trade it on the release. I wanna trade it on the open. Yeah, how about we do buy stops on break of the 1 hour high, sell stop on a break of the lows. Let's do that. Can I do that? Buy stop and sell stop, or? Oh, we can do that. Okay, okay. W. Let's make it happen. All right, how much time? We got 2 minutes. We'll have some fun here. On open, it's a gamble. No, I know that's that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to gamble. I'm trying to have some. I'm trying to get some dopamine. Some dopamine from the markets. Keep in mind, this is on a practice account. Practice. You guys ever seen the Allen Iverson? Practice. Say it with me, chat. Practice. Go ahead, say it. I don't want to hear none of y'all mailing me letters. Mailing me letters later on today. Hey man, I set that buy stop and sell stop like you did. Don't do it. Don't do it. Practice. Spell it out with me, chat. Practice. Practice account. We talk about practice? Swig of Mountain Valley water for some good luck. Oh, nice. I'm gonna leave myself open for risk, enough risk, Ricky, to try that one too. So I'll do both. We'll do both. We'll do both. It's just a practice account, right? Practice account. So it don't really matter. We could do one now and one on the next 5-minute candle. It's just a practice account. Check charts for stream right now. With 38 seconds left. All right, let's do it. Charts for stream. No, just kidding. All right, here we go. 30 seconds. I got to move quickly. Let me tighten these up a little bit. I'll do this one first. And then that one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What do you think, gang? Up or down? All right, here we go. Oh. Oh, slippy slip. Slipped. Oh, slippery slip. And that's why we don't trade news. Practice accounts. Look at that slippage. Holy. Oh, no, not bad. 35 pips. That's light. Light slip. Is this a demo account? Yes. We're holding strong. Newbie's like, no. Little 40 pip slippage, nothing light, you know what I mean? It's no worry about trading news. It's all good. It's all good. We make money trading news. Throws the dice at monitor. You hear these other guys on IG. We really do this. We really do this. Come on, man. Instant drawdown. Hey, yeah, you see, so this is a good example, right? So you see how I entered, my entry was right here on this open. Notice, look where my entry is, right? Look where it popped me in. So think about it, at that point, that's my target, right? So that's why I'd never like to trade news, because even if you do have these sell stops, oh yeah, let's pay attention to this 5-minute candle here. So we're gonna test the other one, right? So if this so who? Ricky. Yeah, Ricky. Where's Ricky? Hey, Ricky. So if this 5 closes bearish, sell stop on the break of the low, right? Let me see how the numbers came out too. Bad numbers? Green numbers here. So we're gonna go downtown. We'll see. News has been a liar. News has been lying lately. Start praying. Please. Some of you guys are sitting there on your knees right now. Please, Lord, just let me get back to break even. I promise I'll never, ever trade news again. I'll go to church every other Sunday too, I promise. Really good book called The Forex Mindset. You guys would love to read it. Anyone's new here, we love that book. That guy tells a wild story about how he lost like 400K. I passed my practice account. All right, 5-minute closure coming. Why do you enter on the break of the highs and lows when the market opens, when the volume is high and not on the flip? That's actually a great question. So throughout my time trading, I noticed that typically it's always best. So sometimes what's going to happen is price is going to give you this wick, right? So price will basically move down. It'll kind of throw that wick first and then move down to make the bottom wick. So when this candle comes up and begins to flip, it doesn't necessarily mean that logically from a price action standpoint we should move up. It just means it's flipping, but it's already flipped, right? So once it breaks that high right there, that indicates now that we're breaking through this high, right? And that we should fill that range and then potentially make a brand new high at some point somewhere. So one thing I noticed was a lot of times when I would enter off the flip, and just pretend these are bullish candles, right? If I would enter off the flip and that high was there, it wasn't good probability. Typically it would just push up and, not break the high and, then end up pushing down and stuff. So that's where I started to say, you know what? I like the break of that high a lot better than the flip. So in most cases, that's typically what I use. I still do trade the flip when I feel it's a good time to do it, but not too often. You see, I got like one flip entry this month and it was a loss. Had one flip entry last month too. That was a win. Flip. No flips here. No flips in August. Nope. Flip in July. Yeah. So every now and then when I feel like it's a good idea, I'll do it, but I'm good for like two a month. 2 flips a month. Oh, okay. So what are we doing here? So should I sell on the break of the low? Because the 5-minute closed bear. Oh, where's Ricky? I actually want to try this here. No top wick, can't enter. Oh. Well, this is fun. Probably just gonna, I don't know, just mess around here. Just pretend you didn't see that. Can't trade, no top wick. Got it. We change flip to fade? Kind of. But even on the fade, sometimes I'll still look to enter on like the break of that low or high. I don't know. It's just something I'm a little bit more comfortable on that. So we got more news coming out here at the 30th minute of the hour. This is going to be your 820 commodity exchange open. So you should see some volume pump in here now as well. With numbers so green, I would assume price may drive down here, but maybe that was the target. The further, the better, in my opinion. Normally the last red folder gives the good push. Okay, cool. So that's coming here at 8:30. The GDP. We're pushing down now. Oh, nothing. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ, see what NQ did here. Oh, wow. Firecracker. Whoa, green, where'd you come from, dude? Yeah, right? Other news will be red, and here come the chaos. Oh, look at this. This might just be all liquidity to move all the way back up and break highs. Did we close below? No, we never closed below any of this 15-minute stuff here. Green, how we feeling? All right, we got 5 more minutes for the other news, and we'll see how we do here. I'll be right back. Oh, bullish now. There we go. Oh yeah, much better opportunities after the news, gang. What up, Pablo? Will there be any giveaways today? Yes, actually. Yes. Yeah, there will be some giveaways today. Actually, you know what? Yeah, so there will be some giveaways. The only thing you have to do to win the giveaway is to go on my Instagram. If you're not following me, damn. And go like and comment on my last picture. It's going to be the third one on the row. Third one. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. That way I can easily pick. We'll pick 5 people. This is my Insta. Come to this picture right here. This one right here. We're going to pick 5 or 6 winners from this post. Yeah. And give me a follow. And we'll see. Whoever's following and likes and comments. If you do all 3, then we'll choose 6 of you guys. What up, Nors? Yo, yo. Yes, our chicken dinner. Hey, yeah, don't say giveaway either. Here's what I would say to comment. Just comment something that you feel like TTE has helped you with. That's it. That's it. And then we'll pick 6 winners to give 25K challenge accounts to. Yeah, we'll pick 6. Yeah, how about we do this? We'll pick 6 that win 25K, and then we'll pick 4 that maybe we can do like 50K. Yeah. Yeah. No, actually we'll do 8. We're going to do 8 altogether. 6 25Ks and 2 50Ks. And I'll just randomly pick out of the comment section on this post right here. Trying to switch it up, man. I don't want you guys guessing numbers and shapes and fruits and hey, whoever picks my favorite fruit gets to, you know what I mean? Like, so yeah. Just come over here and we'll pick some random comments here. What's my favorite fruit? Apple. You get a 25K account. I have a number in my head. What do you think it is? Oh, yeah, that's my man, Chala. That's my man. Yeah, so that's my account. This is my one and only account. You'll never get a message from me, you know, so keep that in mind. The scammers are probably watching the stream, so you know how they do. They'll probably come up with 2 or 3, maybe 4 accounts, and then try and smooth you. But anyway, this other news came out here, so let's see how we did. It looks like we wicked up first, broke the highs here, and then broke broke its own low. So still nothing. Let's let all this come out, and we'll see where we're at this point. Forex Factory. Oh yeah, what do you know? Red numbers. Of course. Of course. Strawberry. Who picked the strawberry? Yeah, you get a 25K account. You can't throw like a weird comment either, like, yo, pick me for the giveaway. Because then if I hit that one, then I'm not going to pick that one. Shucks. So delete that one and, you know, then put another one. It's not too late. You could always delete. Well, I'll pick the winners later on today. All right, so it looks like we're going to continue to remain above 89 here for now. 30-minute candles are open. Let's take a look at that 1 hour candle. So keep in mind, like, the best thing we can do here is wait on this 1 hour closure, right? Because this 1 hour will let us know, hey, are we closing below, or are we going to close back in the range and have some sort of fake out? Right, I mean that's a high probability that we will see some sort of a fake out here, and then we will begin to make moves back up, right? And then maybe even all the way up here today. So just stay patient with me, and let's wait for this closure. Did anyone take buys or sells or anything? Even if you lost, it's okay. You can tell us. Discount in the clubhouse is way too much value. It's basically discounted right now. Like, luckily TK convinced me to do something a little bit lower, because I wanted to really just, like, this is where we're pouring our heart into. So I think I don't think the clubhouse will ever have a discount. Too much value. Needy pips. Great advice, man. Great advice. What goes on in there? So the clubhouse is it's like a family in there at this point. Extremely welcoming. So we stream every single session, right? So basically after we shut down YouTube, we stream up until like 2 p.m. Eastern. So any moves that take place later on in the day, we usually catch those together. Then we stream the Asian session. After that, we stream the London session. Every single weekend, we do webinars that are designed for you to help you level up your life, whether it be your trading or your life. They're designed to help you just level up and get to, you know, your goals a lot quicker. So that's pretty much the clubhouse in a nutshell. I like to say it's the inner workings of the group, you know, and I shared with the clubhouse some of the major plans that I have for the clubhouse. Actually, I think that was in London session. But you know, we're really looking for A+ traders out here. So, you know, the clubhouse is another filtration system in order to find that and complete our mission of finding and creating 8-figure traders. They don't sleep in the clubhouse. You're welcome, my friend. You're welcome. Yeah, it's something that cannot be cheapened. Right? It's something that only will probably go up because the value will just continue to go up. Is there a trade log? No, but I'm sure I can finagle it here. I just got to grab all the trades outside of 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. So like clubhouse trade, clubhouse trade, clubhouse trade, clubhouse trade, clubhouse trade, clubhouse, 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 and clubhouse. Wow. Clubhouse. No. Yeah, Clubhouse. This one I think was on stream. We stayed late that day. Clubhouse trade. See, these are all London session. Clubhouse. Yeah, so a good amount. We're killing it in the Clubhouse. These are all Clubhouse trades here. Yeah, big W's, man, big W's. Let's go Nors. W, man. How can I use a trading simulation? Those are good. I like those. They're good to practice on. I would say don't overdo it. Like, don't try and do them too much because they get you kind of a little out of whack, right? Because you're able to fast forward candles and slow them down and speed them up. It gives you a weird, funky sense when you're in the market. So I would do it maybe once a week to test out some of your strategy and things of that nature. But I don't think you have to OD with it. I think the most important thing to do is to show up to your session every day and be willing to execute when the opportunity presents itself. And then you go through the ups, you go through the downs, you go through the wins, you go through the losses of that process, and then you have experience under your belt, and then you begin to develop yourself as a trader. I did not see the Peaky Blinders yet. No. I actually did try and watch a preview though. No, you gotta comment. If you're talking about Instagram, you gotta comment on the third picture. Come on, gang. Third one. This one right here. We're picking the comments from this one right here. Not these. Right there. Gotta comment on that one. Holy. Step number 1 to winning in trading is following directions. Step number 1 to winning at anything in life is listening good and following directions. Yeah, this guy right here. How do I plan my day as a trader? So I plan my day, basically I wake up very early in the morning. I immediately straight up start practicing some sort of gratitude. I think if you start the morning grateful, it's going to really serve you in your day. And if you do that enough, it'll serve you in life. So I wake up every day. Obviously, I want to like get some water and do all that. But just the outline of it, it's gratitude, prayer, Bible study, a little bit of journaling, jump on the London session, trade the London session, get done with the London session. After that, get ready, go work out, sauna, a little bit of meditation, come back, pretty much start the stream, shower, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'm always primed though, man. You gotta have a strong mind in the game, and you gotta have a very optimistic outlook on things. So just from years of training myself, I try and approach every day with that type of perspective. Do I get sun in the morning? Usually it's dark out. But what I like to do, I get plenty of sun because I live in Florida here, so usually the sun's not up, by the time I start the stream, but I like to get any type of morning light I can, especially like when the clocks change, it'll be a little bit better. What time do I wake up for London? Usually around like 1 a.m. Like right now, because London's not, so we're pushed an hour back. So I was waking up at like 12:30, but now I'm waking up at like 1. And usually before I do anything, I typically am already awake for 1 to 3 hours, like at least 1 hour before I will do anything. Even like jump on this live stream if I'm ever running like super late, or if I needed more sleep, I'm still waking up, you know, at least like about an hour before I have to do anything, because I have to spend some time, you know, getting my mind right, you know, getting everything ready and right for the day, and you know, come on here and be positive and lead, and you gotta set yourself to that routine. That's the new time for London? No, I think just for this week, because then all the clocks will go back. So I've been very big on the morning routine for a number of years now. I feel like it's been very helpful, very helpful. You know, however you start your day, if you start your day really good, chances are your day will go good. And like if it doesn't, like if certain things go wrong, it's okay, because you could still kind of handle it with a good perspective. One hour fake out maybe. Who streams Asian? Me. So usually I'm there. John's there. Me, John, a few other guys. This is kind of like a group. A little bit of a group. See Melly be up there. Green be up there. If you guys ever want to see Green, I know everyone wants to meet Green and see Green, you know. So Mr. Green is in there, live in action during the Asian session. We're very privileged. Do I prefer reading or audiobook? I prefer reading. If you can, yeah, reading, physical book. Yeah, how about you, Mr. M? I like listening to audiobook. Not really audiobooks, but podcasts. I really like listening to podcasts, but when it comes to books, I really like to physically read it. Yeah, anytime I journal too in the morning, it's always laid out pretty much exactly the same. I kind of got this from Grant Cardone. You guys can look up, I think it's called the 10X Planner. I haven't used it in a while, but it's broken up into like 3 sections where it's like, it's kind of broken up like that. So typically what I'll do in this area is I'll write 5 things I'm grateful for. All right. In here, I'll write my goal, my financial goal on what I want to bring in every month and what that number is. I'll write it in a way as if I already have it. So I'll write it in a way as if I'm so happy and grateful now that blah, blah, blah flows effortlessly into my bank account. And don't ask me how this works, but it works. I've done this over and over and over again, and I've continued to reach that number. And then down here, I write a paragraph of what life will be like when I achieve this overall goal. You know, how will life look? What will I be doing? How will I be living? What's gonna be going on? And typically this goal here is gonna be something, you know, a stretch away, you know, a couple months it's gonna take to hit whatever's written down here. Might even take a year, right? So I want to write everything out on what would life be like. Man, it feels so good now that ... So highly recommend this here. Changed my entire life. believe it or not. And I continue to do this. I'll share this with you guys. I'll share this with my children. I'll continue to do this over and over and over again, you know, for the years to come. This has ultimately helped me build and write my future. And you know what's crazy is if we look back at older notebooks, right? The life I'm living today came from that notebook. So it's very interesting. Very, very interesting how it all works. Yeah, you can literally create your life in these pages here. It all started one Christmas when me and my wife, there was a few years where we just didn't buy anything for each other. It was just a understanding that, hey, why are we going to buy stuff for no reason, right? Just because it's Christmas, or just because they said, you know, so we cracked the matrix years ago. So we just thought, you know, we'll pick something up small. And that year, my wife happened to get me a 5-pack or a 10-pack of these black and white marble notebooks. And I remember journaling from Grant Cardone's notebook, and I decided to get into the habit of it. And yeah, man, just pretty much everything I wrote down from last year, the year before, and the year before that, I've accomplished everything, and currently living in what was once just ideas and thoughts and words. Pretty interesting how it all works. I can't explain to you how it works. I don't know. Just like I can't explain to you that when you plant a seed underground, right, that seed takes time. That seed has to grow what they call a root structure, right? And it knows that it has to grow down. It has to build strength, build muscle for once it's ready to go up, right? And this takes time. This is the dirty work. This is where all the effort is put into. But ultimately, it creates this root structure that allows it to go up, right? And then bear good fruit. Here's my tree, right? And ultimately, the fruit on that tree is good, right? So it knows, though, that if it doesn't grow down first, when it grows up, it's going to fall down because it doesn't have that root structure. So that's the way our dreams and goals work. It's the way we kind of create things. And this happens in the spiritual realm along with the physical realm, right? This is that work that it takes to get the job done. It's dirty, but we don't know how it works. We just understand that it does work, right? The seed knows what it's doing, and we just got to do the actions and take the proper steps in order to, you know, achieve our goals. Yes, be deeply rooted. There you go. The notebook was worth millions. That's right. It really was. W. Yeah, it's good to have a great partner. It really is. All right, 8 minutes here for a 1 hour closure, and we'll see where we're at. Let's take a look at this 15-minute time frame. So we got mixed numbers here on gold. We'll see how the 1 hour candle closes. The 4 hour candle on my end is still going to be open for 1 hour, but I know OAN is going to close up here. But ultimately, it looks like we're getting a fake out here. How often we place trades in Asian? I'm not too sure, man. I think pretty much almost every night. I think pretty much every London session we take trades. You know, basically anytime the playbook shows up, we're typically there. So that happens. Sometimes it happens like, you know, 3 or 4 times a week. Sometimes it happens 4 or 5 times a week. Sometimes, have we taken an Asian trade yet? No. Yeah, the last one we took was on the 15th for Asian. So that was like 15 days ago. And whatever this was, yeah, this was all on the 15th. Oh, I'm sorry. Actually, John called. So last week I wasn't in Asian session, but I think they took like 3 trades in Asian last week. Yeah, I just didn't take them. Yeah, I think they were all 3 winners. Johnny Gems called them. Volume in Asian's pretty decent, around between 9 and 10 p.m. Eastern. Yeah, pretty good. What's my playbook look like? So my playbook. So we did a video on the playbook here about 3 months ago, an updated version of it. So I would take a look at that. It's a 41. If you're really serious about learning the playbook, this one is like just well developed here. Like this is a 41-minute video on my exact playbook, the thought process, the mindset behind it, and every little thing that has to do with it. So I would highly recommend checking this video out right here and learning it. Yeah, if you want to learn it. It's just one way to make money in the markets. Are we good? Did everyone comment? So we're doing giveaways. So all you gotta do is comment on my Instagram picture, this one right here. Just comment on this picture. Maybe something that TT has helped you with, or I don't know, something like that. Leave a comment, and then we're gonna pick like 6 winners. I think we're gonna do 4 25K accounts and 2 50K accounts. So just make sure to comment on this picture here, and then we'll randomly do a giveaway. Yeah, we'll randomly select. How could I be a better man like you? It may sound cliche, but open up your Bible and start reading it. And start praying for the Lord to make you a better man. Sometimes it's a work that you can't do on your own. The Lord does a work that you can't pick it up in, aisle 6 in Barnes and Noble. It only goes down through intimate time, prayer, and study. So I know it's cliche, but that's the answer I would give you. Yep. And then pick up on little things that I do. If you want to be like me, Little things I do, little ways that I think, actions that I take. That's what I did. I'd pick little things off from my mentor, Start kind of developing my own swag with his example. What brand are these? I think these are Gunner. Yeah, we recently recorded a podcast here. Yeah, so this was us pulling up, doing some podcast work. Yeah, man. Yeah, I did. I used to sell a lot of weed, pounds and pounds and pounds, 2 hockey bags. My re-up was 2 hockey bags. So just picture that. And I did that for a long time, since middle school. I mean, I didn't have 2 hockey bags worth in middle school, you know what I mean? But that's when I began. So I've always been like, I want to do things my way. But you gotta wisen up a little bit too. TK's in the house. What's good, TK? What's good? We were moving. I'll tell you that. Anybody that knows me from back home that watches the stream, we were moving. Hey, yo. TK, how we feeling? How we doing, my man? Have you had your coffee yet? He's like, oh yeah, man, I had my coffee. I ran down to Starbucks. I got a mocha choca from there. Hit up the steakhouse. Grabbed a quick steak. I'm on my fourth meal of the day. Yo, when it comes to TK, it's always time to eat. TK, I think you need to get I think you need to get the TTE logo on you. Tatted. It's always time to eat for you, man. Yeah, the mocha choca, the frappa chappa, whatever y'all get over there. All right, 1 minute here for a closure. So we got a new Oanda 4 hour. So let's see, we're gonna get a fake out back in the range. 15 minute is looking pretty decent. 30 is a bit choppy in this range. 4 hour looks like it wants to come back up. Daily moving back up. I don't think we ever broke those daily lows. I think we might have just nipped them, right? Oh wow, yeah, I think we came right to the daily low. We might have nipped it. Bro, please help me. I'm helping you. I'm here, brother. I'm here. Everything's going to be all right. We're here together. I'm a daydream. Let's go, Diogo. Way to make the switch. Hey, where's Travis? Oh, okay. Travis is here. I was gonna say. Okay, so you have this new 1 hour candle that is opening up right here. It's also a new 30-minute candle. You do have like 16 pips. It's not the best trade here. If this candle here would have closed a little lower, I think that would have been much better here for us. Talk to me about this Oanda 4 hour candle. I'm just curious. Maybe someone in Zoom can send that over. Because believe it or not, the 4 hour Oanda candle and the later candle, they actually, even though they look different, they still work together. It's pretty interesting. Wow. So it closed bullish. So I want to see, yeah, that's interesting. Yeah, we're probably coming for new all-time highs here. So I'm not really interested in the buy right now just because there's a resistance literally 14 pips away. So I'm not that interested in the buy here. If we can pull back, then I think the buy is much better. Support form, buys moving up. If not, I think buys are decent above the range here. It's tough place to be right now. Tough place to be. You can kind of close your eyes and just press buy here and hope for the best. Yeah, Kelvin, sometimes it's not a bad idea. My mentor would say, Nick, sometimes you got to slow down to speed up. Right? So it's not a bad idea, man. Settle down, learn the game a little bit better, right? And then go at it again. Remember what that one quote was, right? If you give me 5 hours to chop down a tree, I'll spend 3 or 4 of it sharpening my axe. So what is your axe, right? Your axe is your mind, right? Sharpening that mind, sharpening that skill set, and then you can go cut that tree down at ease. So sometimes you gotta take a step back and slow down to speed up. All right, give me 1 minute. I'll be right back. All right. Let's get it over with. Break all-time highs. Just get this over with. Let's go Gotham. Gotham making moves in the clubhouse. W. So yeah, very sketchy area to be in. Talk to me, chat. Who's in a trade right now? What are you in? How is it going? Who's in a trade? Who's in one? Who's attempting one? And we're talking about gold. Who's in a trade on gold? Anyone? In a buy? NAS sells. Damn, look at all y'all trading. Let's sell. Sells on gold, buys on gold. I'm in a buy, I'm in a buy. Well, damn. Holy. And then buys. Took buys on gold in London. Nice. Hey, yo, traders trade. Sheesh, everyone's in a trade. Buys, a lot of people in buys. Nice. Yeah, I mean, especially after the fake out here, I think buys are going to be best, but slow. This is it, right? This is it. These are the highs. Four-hour back up. I took buy when you mentioned fake out. Nice. So like what, from down here? Solid. This is news, man. Nice. Little news action. Second trade, nice. Yeah, I only took one trade here today. One trade so far. Oh, NAS sells? Oh, nice. Let's take a look here. Oh, no top weight. I don't think I'd be in this one, but oh, nice little 4-hour seller here. Are you holding that for 9:30 or what? Yes, beautiful, Mr. Hart. W, bro. All-time highs again, possibly. I've been very tiptoey around these all-time highs. Most of my days they're green, but they're not big. They're not too big, right? They're just steady 1 or 2 trades here. I know you see the contracts there, but yeah, it's you know, you got to be a little bit aggressive in my opinion in these all-time highs. All right, so we'll sit tight on NAS. Let's take a look at gold. Gold should be moving up, I'm sure. Yeah, so let's see how we do as we come into this resistance here. See, Melly, what's happening? How we feeling? Here we go, all-time highs. Can we cross the line? Yeah, good work, Mr. Hart. W. Really good job. Holy, holy. Where's Chala? Chala's definitely here. Chala, can we get a holy? Hey, Energy, is that how they all sound over there in India? They all sound like Chala? A few? Just a few? Are we selling today? Selling what? What you need, son? What you need? Selling. Do I have a strategy for liquidity? Yeah, so you see this right here. So this is what I like to wait for. So if you're going against the higher time frame, I find typically that's where the liquidity will get grabbed. So it's only going to get grabbed on those in most cases that aren't following along with the higher time frame. So you'll see a move down like this, right? So in these areas, I'd be looking for fake outs, right? That's what we were looking for in this general area on the 1 hour time frame. And that's typically the way I can spot the liquidity. Now, if we had a little bit more clean range, right, I would be 100% down to take these buys, right? If to the left-hand side looks something like this, then I'd be open to those. But being that we're kind of stuck in a range itself and we're in these all-time highs here, right? If it looked like that on the way up, no doubt about it, I'd be capitalizing on that fake out, saying, okay, that's the liquidity. Here's the fake out. We're going to keep moving with the higher time frame now. So that's what I look for. The only issue in this exact situation here is that we don't have that clean range, right? It's very choppy here, where you have resistance, and you're just in this range, all-time high range. So sometimes I don't like to trade in these areas, and usually if it's not more than like a 35 pip like move, then I really don't want it. And here there's like what, 17 pips away you had resistance. So yeah, so I'll just let those ones go. AB Mike sounds like that. AB Mike is AB Mike. It sounds like AB Mike. Guitar. Yeah, when I first started listening to Raja, yeah. Now he just sounds like Raja. I thought it was good though. He was very easily understandable for me. His teaching style. Nas bleeding. We got a bleeder. Oh, gold here closing no top wick. It's 30, yeah, 30 still open here. So we tapped into that target. Let's see how we do. If we're gonna reject, we have 930 coming up here too. So lots of volume coming in. I think if your bearish candle closes like back below here, then you got a good shot at coming down, right? So remember what I was telling you guys, I think it was yesterday maybe, about the range. Honestly, I can't remember what day it was. But, you know, if we look at what the price that's in front of us now, right? Fresh price action. So what's in front of us here is a range, right? And it's a decently sized range, right? Especially now that the news is out. It's an 80 pip range here. So if this candle here can close below the range, right, and kind of right where it is, that would be a possible opportunity here for me. If this candle ends up closing like way down here, then, you know, that trade is wasted now, right? I wouldn't take a sell if it closes here. So if the candle can close somewhere where it is now and leave us enough range, then I would be open to potentially fill that wick here. So we'll see what happens on the closure. We got 9 minutes on it. This guy Maverick, man, ripped all the keys off my keyboard. He was in heavy drawdown after that. I'll tell you that. Boy had to learn. The boys gotta learn. $9.20. So 9.15. So 15-minute candle. So this is our 9 to 9.15 candle. We juiced up. We end up closing with no top wick. So there's still this little range right here in which price can kind of flicker around in. So depending on the closure, right, if we can get a good close, I like sells here. If we close above the range, it's over. It's over. She's a goner. I might have to just press buy. If we close above the range, I might just have to press buy. And just let it go. Hey, there's Daniel on YouTube. Grind time. Grind time in the house. What up, bro? I want to watch Nas here too. Oh, wow. Pushing. No top wicks. Holy. Damn. Grind time. How we feeling, bro? How's the weather? How's the weather up by you? Cooling off? Nas a goner. What up, Leisker? How you feeling? How you feeling? Small profits with W. Let's take a look. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. All good. All good. Same here. Last couple weeks, smaller profits. I think my biggest day was on Friday. Yeah. And today I was up about almost about 600, but I only closed half of my trade there today. Rest of it got hit at B. BE. Base hits win ball games though. Who's in NAS sells? Anyone? Bleeder. W Kelvin. Let's get it. Damn, Wiz Buddha. Hey, that's tough, man. I don't think Judge has done anything, right? I mean, I don't even pay attention, and I know Judge hasn't done much. I mean, I guess he was due, right? He's kind of due for one. Psh. Sheesh. No trade days for me last week were Monday and Tuesday, and this week Tuesday. Okay, cool, cool. Yeah, way to be patient, bro. Way to be patient. A lot of you guys are like discovering that there's actually a thing called a no trade day. I remember when I discovered it, I was like, wait, whoa, wait, what? We could sit here all session and actually not take a trade? It was like a foreign concept. Spence, I feel you, bro. I feel you. Not if. When. It's coming. Nas a wild animal. And I like it. This fade, yeah, that's fine, dude. Like, we're so bullish right at this point, so if you're not in this fade, no biggie. Crazy. 30-minute flipping bearish again. Same thing with the 1 hour, 4 hour going back down. Is Oanda bearish yet in the 4 hour or no? Not yet. Maybe. Should be, I think, now. Flipping bearish. Tamra knows what a no trade day is. Yeah, no trade days are pretty healthy. Oh, nice, Ricky. W, bro. Love it. Oh, yeah, bearish on Oanda. Yeah, I think that 15 low is... This is quite the interesting day here. So we haven't really had much of a clean breakout of any sort on the lower time frames. Daily's just really hasn't really been doing anything. I mean, if this daily candle fades off here today, Oh man, that would be amazing. Yeah. Yeah, gold's wilding today. Daily fade, yeah, daily fade would be nuts. Nuts. Come back down in the range. So remember we talked about a little bit about that in the breakdown this morning about this thing potentially fading away here. Yeah, that would be crazy. So we'll see how the 30-minute candle closes. 3, 2, 1. No wick. So no wick at the bottom. Can't take a sell. We're right at support. The candle closed rejecting the top side. Can't take a buy. So yeah, there's nothing really here. Just choppy. Yeah, let's take a look at NAS here for 9:30. Let's watch, have some excitement. Oh man, the NAS fade. Oh, let me take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour can still go here. We can still go. I think there's a zone down here, right? Yeah, we still got plenty of room to drive. So I'm not gonna fade anything here. Look at all this room we still have to drive down. Maybe, excuse me, maybe if we tap into this zone here, then there might be an opportunity for a fade. But we still got room to play with. Charts are not looking the hottest here. Ooh, Goldie, nice. I'm not selling, no way. Not with this candle closing without a bottom wick and right at support. Nope. Nasty closure. Hump day vibes, there you go. Yeah, see, that's what I was saying. Like, these buys are a bit sketchy, man. I'm surprised we even came up that high. Gold push. Green, this is good. We want to see gold push. All right, I think I'm good, or whoever else wants to participate in the giveaway, come over to my IG, which is right here, and then comment, I don't know, just something that like you like about your life. I don't know. Something that TT might have helped out with, you know, like mindset change, something you're learning. I don't know, something. Comment on this picture here, and we're going to pick 4 25K challenge accounts and 2 50K challenge account winners from this picture right here. But don't say, oh, I want the giveaway. Yeah, you gotta say something better than that. If that's your comment, then delete it now, because it ain't gonna work. I'm gonna get to it and be like, nope, You had your shot, but wrong comment. No, I'm not going to pick the winners on stream. Maybe I'll pick it. I want to put the... I was probably going to pick the winners tomorrow. Holy... I think we broke Instagram. Hold on. Oh, never mind. All right, we're good. All right, cool. Yeah, if anyone wants to participate, just go over to my IG, give me a follow, like this post here, and then leave a comment. Let's go, Daniel. W. Today I did overtrade and my head so dizzy. Yeah, that'll do it. That'll do it. Call it a day. Settle down. Kind of try and find where things went wrong and then become more aware of it. You know, once you become aware of emotional hijacking, right, when that takes place, you still might mess up, but you'll start becoming aware of it more and more and more, to the point where you'll become aware of it and you'll go, you know what, this is where I typically blow it. Let me pause, right? Let me not take another trade. Let me just lock myself out of my account, or let me just shut, you know, my computer. Yeah. Because otherwise we go into that moment, man, and then when we come out 25 minutes later, yo, you never traded that much on the 1 minute chart in your life. Holy, he went down to the 1 minute. The what? The what? Yeah, that's what I used to do. I'll use the excuse too. I'm like, nah, it's a playbook setup on the 1 minute though. It's an onion. I got a breakout. We're good. We're good. No reason why I can't throw 3% risk on this with a 7 pip stop loss. I mean, nice and tight. 1 minute. 1 minute style. Bruh. Goldie. My 4 hour is gonna close here in about 23 minutes too, so we'll see how that 4 hour candle closes. I'm telling you, this right here could very well be just a random push down for price to just keep going. But our daily should be bearish now. Yep, daily's bearish. So, man, we called that. We called that when price was way up here. Right? It pushed through the chop for us. We talked about having price push through this chop. So our plan is playing out from the morning time. If you guys haven't realized that, I think sometimes when you wait, when you take the time and wait, and you talk about it in the morning, as if like it's going to all happen in like the next 10 minutes, right? It takes time. Some days it's going to take multiple hours, but notice how everything we talked about earlier is beginning to work itself out here. It just takes time. It takes time to play out, and we have to deal with a lot of this choppiness over here. What kind of salt do I use? I use Redmond's salt. Wags, I feel you, bro. I'm tired of this price action. If this can, yeah, if this does close with no bottom wick, I'm definitely interested. I use for pre-workout I use Redmond sea salt Redmond salt, I don't know, and like local raw honey from one of the farms over here by me. That's it. A little excess maybe. Other than that, that's about it. You get a nice natural dose of pre-workout. What do you work at? What do you use, Ecom Dre? Whatever this guy's using, I need that. What are you using? And where do I get it? Different time frames? Yeah, different time frames. That's a skill set, right? So to be able to tell a story from time frame to time frame is a skill set in itself, and it's much needed, right? Especially if you're going to trade this style and you're going to want to do good, efficient top-down analysis. You really do have to begin to understand higher time frame, lower time frame correlation. So there is a extremely in-depth webinar that we did on YouTube in the clubhouse that you have access to if you're a member of the clubhouse. If not, then on our YouTube channel there was a video I did a little while back, and it was called How to Tell the Story from Each Time Frame. This one right here. So I would recommend checking this one out too. Yeah. Why I don't buy? Because we have just two massive bearish candles just driving down, pretty much. Yeah, the webinar we did on higher time frame, lower time frame correlation was insane. It was basically the system in a complete nutshell. Yeah, and if you're not in the clubhouse, then I highly recommend checking out this one right here. This one, how long was this video? This is a pretty, yeah, it's a 20-minute video here, so pretty valuable. It's a little older, but wow, who remembers when gold was here? Oh man, these used to be our all-time highs here, ladies and gentlemen. And these were so lovely. It was so lovely to trade below 2,000 here for quite some time, man. This is the monthly time frame. This was a beautiful time to trade gold. Who remembers? Anyone? Man, this just threw it back for me. We would talk this monthly time frame all the time. Sheesh. This is where it all started. We never got back below that range. Never. Y'all remember, right? Sheesh. Good times, good times. How can you start it? Just go to the YouTube, brother. Here's the link. Yeah, it's a good video. I think it'll definitely be helpful. What if your name's different? Don't worry, I'll message you on IG. Whoever the winners are, I'm gonna DM you. So you actually will get a DM from me. Wait. I'll do it tomorrow on stream. Otherwise, I can hear the scammers right now. Let's DM them. Let's DM them. He said that they're going to DM them. He's going to do it. Come on, hurry up. All right, here, let's just put it this way. If I DM you on IG, it's going to only be to say, hey, you've won your account. Give me your email. That's it. If there will be no, I don't need any crypto. I don't need the last 4 of your social. I don't need the last 3 digits on the back of your debit card. I don't need any of that to get you an account. All right. So if you get a message from me and it says, what's your email? You're the winner. That'll be sufficient enough. I don't need the code to your safe. Nothing. Cool, everyone got it? Everyone understand? I don't have my super duper handy dandy triple ripple copy trader. It's not out yet. I'll let you guys know when it is. We're still fine tuning it. The Eagle 3000 is not out yet. I do not have any sort of crypto opportunities for you whatsoever. I don't want your Bitcoin. Nope, we don't need your firstborn son. Corey, my boy. What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Looking jacked in that picture, man. Who took that picture? Damn, that brother jacked. They don't get much more shredded than that. Your mother's maiden name? Yeah, we don't need none of that. None of that. Keep your Bitcoin. Remember, I have my Bitcoin. You have your Bitcoin. Let's keep them separate. All right, A-Man. Yeah, smart idea, bro. End on the green day. We took a nice win in London. Go relax a bit. Study for your exams. That sounds like a perfect plan to me. Oh, I took that pic? Oh, damn. Damn. That's like some professional photography right there. How's your trading going? Yeah, I don't have any new strategy. Don't worry, I'm not working on one behind the scenes. All right, so 930 basically push us down. No wick at the bottom. This candle here opening up without a wick as well. I'm not ready to take my buys yet. I think we could still possibly drive down a bit. I kind of want to get a bullish closure before I do anything here. What up, 11th hour? How you doing? How you doing?
How you doing?
There he is. How you doing? Damn, we haven't used these in a while. Damn. Forgot about some of these sounds.
There's no strategy. I have no strategy. There's zero strategy.
I think out of all of them, we probably played this one the least, but I think I might say this one the most. Oh.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Yes, sir, brother.
Starving, especially when I'm around TK. And Green. Oh my God. Rainbow strategy. Just pay the fee, baby. Elections? Yeah, elections are going to be wild. Yo, chat, elections. Less than 1 week away. You guys think Trump has a strategy?
There's no strategy. I have no strategy. There's zero strategy.
I don't know. I don't know. Camila said she's ready to save the world. I don't know.
Stop the cap.
Chill, who's doing that? Who is doing that? Depends on who the winner is. I think who the winner is will drastically change the direction of gold. What was this one again?
You wake up when the alarm goes off.
Oh.
You go to your job. Sorry. Bye, boss.
Damn, Tate's a clown.
You're broke!
Oh man, Tate. Yo, this guy Trump's a machine. My guy was at Madison Square Garden, but apparently no one in New York wants to vote for him. But he just happened to sell out, basically Madison Square Garden for a rally. That is not a rally. That is much bigger than a rally. All right, so we'll see if this 15 can close bull here. It would be nice. We did not break the lows there. We haven't made a top wick here, so I don't want this candle to flip with 9 minutes left and then drive back down here. All right, sometimes when we've entered on the fade, that's been the case. So just gonna wait. Done trading for the day? Yeah, not a bad idea. Very choppy markets here. I mean, if you're green on the day, I'm green on the day. I mean, you really need price to come to you. I think if Trump does take office, you'll see a nice push down on gold, because he's gonna obviously like relieve the people of the U.S. of the damage on the dollar and boost some more confidence in the dollar and things of that nature. So I think dollar will go up a bit. Gold may come down a little bit, which would be a nice healthy reaction here, even to price action itself. It would be a good thing, right, for gold. So yeah, and then, you know, obviously if it goes the other way around, you know, people are going to become afraid of the dollar being damaged, right, based on what they want to do with the funds in the U.S. So just look at their policies. You know, don't vote boy, girl, fat, skinny, dark, light. Like, vote for policies, right? Vote for things that actually make sense. I don't even agree with all of Trump's policies. I don't agree with all of Kamala's policies, but you gotta choose which one is gonna fit better for like the nation itself, and again the overall dollar too. I mean, if I were you, I'd be buying Bitcoin. I'd be scared to hold the dollar. Yeah, I think gold will move down, BTC will move up, which would be interesting. All right, let's see if we can get a closure here. Trump's a beast. Yeah, that dude be traveling around. That dude's almost like 80, right? Is he 80? he's like 80, 78 maybe. What I really want to see is I want to see the ear, man. Show us the ear. Show us the ear. Can we get a glimpse of the ear? The only things I know that grow back that quick are like reptiles. What's going on here? Whoa, 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 whoa. Too much for the YouTube. He showed it on Rogan? Oh, nice. I heard they were censoring some of that Rogan. How's the golf game going? Man, I don't know. Ask C Melly and Big Blessings. They're a little bit more experienced. I think I'm getting better. But maybe ask them because they've seen a lot more golfers coming up. I mean, I feel like I'm doing pretty good. Oh, TK was there for golf. Forgot about that. That's right, that's right. All right, we got a closure here in 4 minutes. Tony H, who's that? Oh, was that someone that spoke at the rally? What's the PR jokes? What's that mean? I'm not sure who that is. Tony H. Oh wow, pushing. There's a top wick for that candle there. Nas grabbing all the buyers. Let's take a look. Oof. Yeah, you see what I mean? We still had a lot more room to go there on Nas. Damn. Pushing, man. Pushing. 1 hour still has no top wick here. It's going to close in 2 minutes. Do we have more news coming? I don't think... Yeah, we've got more news here coming, man. We have another hour packed of news. Let's go. TK and Green were both out there, man. That was amazing. Golf was lit. We had C Melly, Big Blessings, TK, Green. Don't get much better than that. Look at this. No closure below still. Damn. Right back up. So yeah, potential like 1 hour inverted, 30-minute inverted celery going on here. 15-minute might close bullish here, we'll see. But all in all, it's actually looking pretty decent now for buyers. Walking the course? Yeah, that's wild. Yeah, my 4-hour candle's closing up here too. So 44 seconds. And we get a closure. TK thought it was cold. He thought everywhere he's gonna walk out of was gonna be cold. Nah, son. Nah, son. All right, so we do have some sort of like a inverted celery play. I think if we break this high, right, there's a very high chance, especially with news coming in here. So I'm gonna have a buy stop here on Goldie. Stops are gonna have to be the current candle lows. So wherever that bottom wick is formed, that's gonna be the stop loss. So about 40 pips. So it's still technically in the range. So if this isn't a trade of yours, don't force this, right? This is still gonna be in this kind of crappy range here, but we're a little bit lower on the range. We're very bullish, right? Looking like we want to pump up. This 4-hour might fake out here. That will break the 15-minute high as well as the 30-minute high. 1 hour close. We close above the range here. So yeah. What about the 4-hour? Show it to me. Show me your 4-hour, because mine's going to be a little different now. Yeah, we've got about 80 pips, I think. 70 pips. Yeah, if you show me your 4-hour candle, I'll take a look at it. If the stops do get too wide here, then what we could always do is wait for a bullish closure. Now, if we come down and re-break these lows, right, then there's an opportunity for us to move this buy stop a little bit lower to the current candle if we re-break those lows. If not, then they have to stay there. Let's take a look. Energy, let's take a look. Yeah, that 4-hour doesn't know what it wants to do. Looking like it might want to continue ripping up. Let's take a look at NAS here. Oof, 4-hour, 1 hour, 30-minute closing bear here on NAS. 15's got the If you get a basically if you get a resistance on the 15 here, I think this looks amazing. Something like this, pretty decent rejection wick. I'd be open to taking these sells here. Definitely. Hey, where'd everyone go? You guys here? Do I have anyone here? Hello? 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 Mic check? Hello? 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 Is this thing working? No, just kidding. Just kidding. You're gonna NASDAQ buy? Nice, yeah, NASDAQ just flew up. Cannon in the building. What up, Cannon? What up, Dominic? UFC returns to Tampa December 14th. Really? Where are they playing at? Or where are they fighting at? Oh, my man's being patient. He's patient. Yeah, I only watch when I'm just, if I'm like hanging out, chilling, I'll watch, but I usually won't like build my Saturday around it. But if I'm around, if it's around me, then yeah. What up, Magnus? Magnus, you busy or you want to come hang out? Right here, brother, right here. Right here, right here. On the big stage. What about sell? Sells, no, because we never closed below there. So no sells for me. Ooh, that's rough. That's rough. That's like when they do the Abu Dhabi stuff. I got that stuff is on late. John, you have full TP? I think he's about to pull some profits.
Yo, 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 what's up?
There he is.
What's up, man?
How you doing?
How you doing?
Getting lonely up here.
Yeah, I feel you. Johnny's
Yeah.
gone.
Johnny's sleep stops got activated hard.
Yeah, bro, yeah.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Orders filled. I think John will be here soon.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I don't like sleeping after London. If I sleep after London, I'm too tired.
Yeah, you're not gonna wake up again.
Yeah. I'll be showing up to the stream at like 8 8:45. Dudes be like, yo, does this guy even stream anymore? I'd be having you guys in my DMs. Hey, no stream today?
Yeah, feel them.
I'd be trying to tell him, yo, just wait on it. Not yet, not yet. Just wait on it.
Yeah.
The young G, up on the big stage. Well deserved. You catch me and Magnus in London session, man. The London's been such a vibe, such a vibe. I think we've picked something off on London almost every stream.
Yeah, right. Yeah, this is just filled with gems.
Yeah, London's good, man. London's a really good session. You are in buy. Yeah, I have buy stops. Yep, on the break of the 30-minute high. How was your workout?
It was great.
Yeah.
I did legs.
Oh, leg day?
Yeah, leg day.
Nice.
Do a little squat, deadlift.
Little diddly squat?
Yeah. It was good.
Good old leg day.
Yeah. What about you?
It was good, man. I did back and buys. Quick, super fast workout. Just literally rushed through it, no breaks. And then spent like about 35 minutes in the sauna. Did the nano meditation in the sauna today. Unmatched.
Fire.
Yeah.
Straight up fire. Yeah.
Unmatched.
I love sauna.
Yeah, dude. Yeah. Wagnus.
Yeah, Louis G, I'm trying to make a run at Ecom Dre's legs. That's crazy.
2 contracts for me? Yeah, that's like half risk. Yeah, just because we're in a range technically. But I could definitely see us pushing up here. Yeah, I might even have to go 1 contract if the stop gets a little bit too big. Oh, the nano one? Yeah, I think someone in the clubhouse. Can you guys share that? I think one of you guys have it saved, right? I think so. Yo, it's good to see you this weekend, bro. Good hanging out for a little bit. Shout out to everyone that came to the TT meetup. I'll drop some pictures maybe tomorrow or the next day of the meetup.
The pics are fire.
Yeah, I'll get some pics. We also film the whole day, so we'll make a cool YouTube video, and we'll put it out there so you guys can check it out. We need you guys there on the next one, though. We need you on the next one.
I'm coming for sure.
W. So there's potential plans for a New York meetup and a Miami meetup in January. So keep it in mind. Potential.
Oh, London definitely coming.
London will be in 2025. Yeah, actually that'll be in 2025 too, early in the year.
Yeah.
But yeah, New York City and Miami are on the map early this year. Yeah, you could sell for the wick fill. That's not a problem. The only problem that I have with that is that this candle here never closed below the range, right? And it's got a pretty big rejection. There's this range over here to the left that we respected. So we can easily just start to pump up from this point.
What's up, Coach Carter? Yeah, ISM, give us a UK meetup.
Yeah, UK will definitely happen. When's the best time of year to come to the UK? When can I expect like warm weather? Like not hot weather, not cold, but like good weather. Nice little maybe light hoodie weather.
Yeah, I don't even know. Like I think it's like April, maybe May.
April? So like springtime.
Yeah, probably. Yeah. Anyone from UK? Yeah, March, April. Yeah.
Nice. June, July, W.
But it's not like Tampa weather.
That's okay. That's okay. I need to get out
More
of
like
Tampa
Denmark.
in June and July next year, man. It's too hot.
Yeah.
Too hot in Tampa. July. UK weather's garbage. My UK
See you,
friends,
Tamra.
come to Miami.
Have a great day.
Meet us in Miami. Later, Tamra. Later.
See ya. UK with the garbage.
Don't expect any type of weather if you come here to try and be happy. Oh man. So I'm fired up about this trip.
Come whenever you want, bro. You're gonna get rained on.
I'm fired up to get to London. Yee! Can't wait.
I can't wait.
Nah, hey, I'll battle.
Might as well find some indoor thing.
Yeah. We're doing something inside, I'm guessing.
Yeah, it sounds like it.
Hey, as long as I'm with a crew of like-minded individuals and we could break some bread and hang out, I'm game. I'm game. Warm in the UK. Y'all need to get some sun over there, eh? Oh, we might get tapped in here. It's almost time. Almost time. All right, I am in. So it looks like we broke the high there. So we'll see if we can continue moving up now. Yeah, my stops are going to be below the lows here. Current candle lows is where I got my stops, and we'll see if we could drive up. Yeah, I'll probably hit BE somewhere around this area.
Yeah, it looks good. Just the 15 has no bottom width.
Is that what happened? I didn't see that.
Yeah.
All good. This mainly based off the 30-minute time frame here.
Looks good. I mean, the 30 closed above the range. 1 hour could expect fake out. We have that exhaustion with 2, and we broke previous 4 lows on the Forex chart.
True.
So it looks pretty fire.
Got in on the flip. Nice. Nice. The flip of this candle. Solid.
Yeah, Travis, that's a great idea. If the 15 makes a bottom wick here, on the rebreak of the high, you could add a contract there.
That's true. Yeah, that's true. Here it comes. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I might add that. Yo. What up? Just got into a trade. Alright, cool. Yeah, if we do re-break the high, that will be nice. That will be nice. Yeah, so if we re-break the high here, I'm going to add to this position. This thing actually looks good now that we made that 15 lower wick. Is that it? Yeah.
I agree. Either flip or the re-break of the high right there.
Yeah, 15 flip actually isn't bad either. Yeah, or the previous. Yeah, I like that. That's a good idea, actually. Yeah, either the flip or current high is not bad.
I mean, current highs is like 15 pips away from the flip. So
Yeah,
the only reason.
Flip.
Yeah.
Am I gonna buy? Yeah, I'm gonna take a buy here. Yep. So all that will do really is dollar cost me in. So it actually won't give me like a second entry, you know, like MT5. It'll just push my current entry price. It'll bring it down a little bit, which I think I like that better.
Yeah, it's better than 2 positions. I think so too.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see how I brought it down a little bit? Bump it. Let me grab my water. I'll be right back.
How you doing, chat? Are you in this? Yeah, so Mr. Hart, I was in on the current candle high before, so I just took break even right there. But if it re-breaks the 15 high, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, so I'm gonna put my stops. My stops are gonna be sitting down here. Right around here. So if we break that previous low, this might turn around here on us. Yeah, the no bottom wick, I didn't realize that on the 15.
Oh yeah, PM Magnifico, yeah, no bottom width.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
didn't
that might be
realize
the
that.
reason why we could come down now. Cool, you little trader.
That could have been a pack runner because the 15 popped with no bottom wick, but we'll see. We'll see.
I think it still look great. I mean,
yeah, I think we're still in good position. As long as we don't break the 15 lows, then we should be all right. All right, Ecom J. See you later, brother. See you later. Enjoy the evening. I forgot it's like nighttime for you guys. Damn.
oh yeah, he's in Thailand.
I'm about to get my day started.
Yeah. Funny, it's like nighttime for him. For me, it's like late evening, and for you, it's like morning.
It's morning still, but my kids just woke up.
Wow. Crazy.
Doom, doom. Thoughts on price making a top wick for the previous candle, the 15th. What over here? Yeah, I didn't realize we opened up without the bottom wick. I think if I would have realized that, I would have waited on the bottom wick, but I think we still be tapped in here, regardless.
Yeah, not using 5 minutes too much, but the 5 minute looked pretty good actually. For the 15 to continue up.
Yep. Time for some push-ups. There you go. Push-up time. One moment.
Oh, Travis, is there news in 6 minutes?
We got some news coming in. Do we?
Ooh.
We got some newsy.
I don't even know. Oh, it's just orange folders. So, I mean, it's cruel oil inventories. Let's see. I mean, it could push a little. It's just now which direction.
Which direction? Our direction? Or their direction?
Potentially.
Yeah, volume's slowing up here. So we got 6 minutes for a closure.
Still looks pretty good, I think.
We need this 30 here to close bullish. If this
So
guy
30-minute
goes
bullish.
it'll be kind of like London, the London trade.
Facts. And if that closes bullish, the 15 would give us like a celery type of play.
That's true. Let's see what news is coming out here. So we did the 10:30 stuff. Oh, crude oil inventories. That's
Yeah.
right.
I mean, orange folder, but we could see some volume from that.
Definitely.
Holy.
Hey, yo, damn. How many comments here? 180?
Oh. On the instant?
All right, 180. 180 for the... If you guys want to participate, we're going to do a giveaway here. All you got to do is comment on this picture, like it, comment it, and follow my Instagram. We're going to do 4 25K accounts and 2 50K giveaway accounts. All you got to do is like and just leave a decent comment, you know?
If I win that account, I'm giving it to someone special.
Oh.
Oh.
Someone special, eh?
Yeah. Someone consistent, hardworking.
I dig it. We're stuck here. Yeah, London close coming up. Yep.
It's funny how gold just, play games because we
All
thought
day.
gold were coming down too. No, I mean all these times, but it keep breaking the high. I mean, we just keep coming up.
Play no games. Gold likes to play games.
Yeah, just once we thought it was over, but nah.
Push? Yeah, push. Mm. 2 minutes on this candle. Let's see how we do. Oh, next October, I'm down. Quick little Dubai stop. Little Dubai. I'm down. If it closes below, will you close half? Yeah, I think if it closes below, I'll probably close full. With the news coming out, just in case. Yeah, good question.
That sounds like a good idea. Yeah.
Crude oil news is coming out here, so. When is the news coming? The news is coming in 50 seconds. 50 seconds here.
Nick, were there any reason why you didn't take that off the current high? which was the current 1 hour high too.
Which one was it?
The current, I mean, so that 15 you're looking at right there.
Oh,
when
yeah,
that broke
yeah.
the
I just seen that the 30 was probably the best because that's the one we rejected off of. So 30 breaking.
Oh, so like an inverted celery on the 30.
Yeah, I kind of wanted that down here on the 15, but wasn't able to get it.
Okay, sure. Yeah, I mean, both make sense. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, crude oil. Tick, 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 tick.
Funny, not much.
Will we get a boom? Will we get a boom? Yee. Oh. Goldie, don't do it. Don't do it. Back off. No top wick here. Back off.
Green numbers, funny.
Oh boy.
Not
Green
even funny.
numbers? Oh brother.
Yeah, on one of them. I can't see the other one yet. Oh yeah, green numbers. Yeah, both.
Yeah, if we got green numbers, then we might come down here and get stopped. But we'll see. Numbers have been lying a bit. News has been lying, so we'll see what happens.
Yeah, we got red numbers too earlier on the advanced ADP. So
yeah.
See you, Louis G.
Later,
Good luck with the
Louis G.
meetings.
Later. Catch the London streams? Yeah, jump in the clubhouse, bro. We're there every night. Every night we do London.
You were spitting gems in there.
Gems on gems last night, word. That was so close, dude. We might still come down and get stopped. There's no top wick, so that could help us here. All in all, plus just how bullish gold is, but with green numbers, you might see a push down. Yeah, if we get a break of the high, re-break of the highs is going to be our best friend here. I'll be right back. Hold on one sec.
Sure. Yeah, not much happening with the news. Might go up here still, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it might go up. Broke the previous lows there in the 30. 1 hour lows again. Now it's pushing. What was that? The stop loss was about to get hit like for 3 pips or some 2 pips.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, that was insane.
Let's see. We still got to push through all this. We really got to break that high right there. If we can break this guy, we should be good.
Yeah, AJ, that's actually pretty smart too. Moving stops to the flip, because if this flips again after breaking that high, it could go down.
True. Later, Xander.
Wow, the
Have fun at the
re-break.
gym.
See you, Sander.
Enjoy.
Wow, the re-break of that high. That looks
Yeah, we want to see that high break.
Yeah. My best bet now would be the 15 closure above for buys.
Yeah, like any new trade. I agree.
Yeah, any new trade, yeah.
15 closure above the range there. Yeah, looks good.
Yeah. Might be the best because we're potentially pretty bullish here on the day. So, I mean, we got a lot of range. Pip Lord, yeah. Thanks, bro.
Pip Lord.
That happens sometimes. Crazy how I got stopped out and now price is driving back up. We've all tried it, man. That's the game.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, we might even feel like the market's betraying us, but they really don't. The market's neutral.
It's neutral. It's always right. It's always
Yeah,
right.
facts. And Johnny Boy is here.
Johnny Gemstone's in the house.
Sup,
Come
Mr.
on,
Gems?
Bring us some volume here, John, to the upside.
Bring us some gems and volume.
There it
Here's your
is.
volume.
Nice,
go.
man. Thank you.
What's up,
I'm not
boys?
even in, but I'm just open.
Nah. What's up, boys? How we doing?
How we
Johnny, you in?
doing?
No, I'm not in this.
How we doing,
Good.
Johnny Gems? How's
I'm
your
doing
nap?
amazing, bro. Blessed and highly favored. So much to be
Well-
grateful for.
Well rested?
Well rested, bro.
Nice.
Needed that.
I bet.
That's good.
What's up, chat? How we feeling?
How we doing?
How you
We
doing? Another day,
doing?
another discipline. What do you want to do?
What do you want to do?
Watch your mouth, watch your actions.
Nobody knows nothing.
No one knows nothing. Hope you guys are all having a great day.
You too, man. From the time
Thank
you
you.
woke up, like 1 hour ago, maybe.
Yeah, I woke up like 30 minutes ago.
Oh, wow.
Got a good
Yeah.
sleep in. Good rest.
Just sat. Yep.
Nice.
Yeah, but tonight I'm gonna try to get some rest before London, so I don't have to do it after.
There you
And I
go.
could be here for the New York session.
Yeah, I like that way better.
Yeah.
Little-
Because then, bro, like I went to sleep at 5 a.m. when I'm used to actually starting my day at 5 a.m., you know?
Mm,
Wow.
that's
Yeah.
true. Throws you off, man.
For sure.
It's no
Really
joke.
does.
And I was a bit tired for London as well. And I don't like being tired while I trade.
I feel that.
Yeah, I feel you too.
Feel that.
Yeah, Daniel, word. Just lost 1K and I'm happy, thank you, Lord.
Thanks.
Word, man.
Praise the Lord.
I like it, bro.
So-
Look to find your happiness in the things that money can't buy. I love it, Daniel.
Facts. Straight up. Yeah, we're born rich. Now we just gotta figure out how much money we want.
Yeah. Born
Nice.
rich.
Bingo.
Yeah, Johnny, I talked with Nick before. The best bet here might be the 15 closure above. So creating a new support, we got that range too.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Little break and
Yeah,
retest.
I like that idea. Yep.
Yeah, the
Came
I like
back
that
to
idea.
this one
break
here.
even, man. Came right up to it.
Oh wow, Nick, 1 pip. That was like 1 pip from your stop.
Less, it was
It's
less.
crazy. That was insane. We even got a push, like, so the spread, you were insanely.
Yeah.
I don't want
no
to call it
top
lucky,
weight, too.
but wow. Yeah, that no top weight was pretty good, I think, because
Yeah.
you know that 85% of candles have top and bottom weight, so it could come up and make that.
Do I drink alcohol? No, I don't. I don't drink alcohol.
Do you drink alcohol, Johnny?
Nah.
Nah, me too.
Maybe like once a year. Once or twice a year, maybe. But nah, bro, I try to stay away.
Yeah, me too.
Nice. So you don't drink it either?
Last time I drank it, it was like 1 year ago, but I was not like drunk or anything. It was more for like some, you know,
event,
something with
just
family and stuff.
The activity of doing it, yeah.
Yeah, but I don't really like it now.
Nice. Come on, goalie, push back up here.
Yeah,
let's go, Wags. What's up, Energy? What's up, YOLO Trader?
I don't think I've drank alcohol in like maybe like 2 years.
W, man.
Yeah.
You might be called crazy for that.
I don't know where all my friends went.
Definitely.
Chola, yeah. I'm a Quaker when I'm drunk. That's why I don't do it.
He's drunk quick.
Like drunk? It's maybe like 3 years ago.
Drunk?
Two,
yeah,
2.5.
Drunk like probably like man,
Yeah.
no, like 7, 8 years. No, probably like 8 or 9.
Facts. Same.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Actually, no.
W.
I would say it's been a minute for me too till I was like actually drunk. Like 2, 3 years.
Yeah, wild.
Oh wow, yeah.
Can we re-enter? I would wait for the 15 closure to re-enter.
Yeah, me too. But yeah, I'm glad I did it back then because then I know it's not for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you could just you see the fruits of labor of the people you're hanging out with, right? And the people who are doing it with you. And you see where their where their actions are leading to, and it's like, oh wait, I gotta get out of this environment, right? Or else I'm gonna become them.
X, yeah. You
and I don't
become
want
what
the
you're hanging
results of
around
it.
with.
Mm-hmm.
Joey Stu, the birthday boy.
Oh yeah,
Birthday boy.
Today's Joey Stu's birthday. Ecom Dre's girl's birthday. Anyone else's birthday? Oh, it's AB Mike's birthday today too. That's right. AB Mike's birthday.
Damn.
Oh yeah, it's AB Mike's, yeah.
Yeah. Happy birthday, AB Mike.
I missed our Heart's daughter's birthday.
Happy birthday, AB Mike.
Wow, thank you to her. Oh my, thank you. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Thanks, Jory. Now.
Text him. Text him. I already texted him.
How old is AB Mike now? He have birthday like...
He had like 5 birthdays this year.
Yeah.
He's pushing numbers up there.
Yeah, he is. Yeah, Melvin, like, I don't even know, man. Like every 10th day.
He's 1100.
Probably more.
AB Mike, happy birthday, bro.
Yankees got to get a win here for Joey Stu's B-Day.
Hell yeah. They got their best pitcher on the mound, so.
Oh yeah?
Good chance of that. Yep.
Boom, 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 boom.
1 minute.
Yeah, facts, George. Yeah. There's nothing wrong with like drinking. One of Jesus' first miracles was turning water into wine. But we should not overindulge in it. That's when it becomes a sin.
Thanks. Yeah, Andrew, for real.
W. AB Mike. Where'd AB Mike go? Where'd he go? My guy's 1100 now. So if the candle closed without a wick at the top, I'm gonna close. If it leaves a wick, I'm gonna leave this open.
Great idea.
A lot of volume here, man. A lot of volume.
Yeah, seriously. Eight seconds.
Wow, look at all this volume, man. Where's this coming from?
Oh yeah.
I want to see it close above that resistance here.
Yeah,
Damn.
yeah. Nah, nothing here. You might wait for the 1 hour time frame.
Sheesh.
Again, it's getting pretty choppy down there in Goldie.
If that thing flips, I'd probably close.
Made 100. Nice. Nice, nice.
Hey, 100 a day helps out a lot, right?
100
So,
a day ain't bad.
beautiful.
It ain't bad.
100 a day just from your computer. It's pretty cool.
100 a day is a lot, man.
It really
It's
is.
the beginning, yeah.
Hell yeah. 200 a day keeps the 9 to 5 away, right, guys? And a lot of you guys can do that with Top Step 50K account.
True.
Thanks.
All it takes is taking one good trade.
And repeat that, yeah. That's facts.
And then iterate. Yeah, Nick, what do you do? You're gonna hold?
Yes, sir.
I mean, got the bottom wick there, yeah. Only concern is just the 15-minute close below that resistance, but might drive.
Yeah.
But nothing for me. What about you, John?
Nothing. Yeah. I'm just waiting.
Yep. Yep. Nope. Maybe later.
Nothing. What's up, Green?
All right. Did the
Thanks,
bookshelf
Ricky.
move? I don't know, did it? Holy. The bookshelf got legs?
By itself, or?
Uh-oh.
Yeah, Travis, I was. Yep. What's up, Travis?
Why, does it look like a different camera angle? I might have hit the camera. No, it looks normal. Looks normal.
No pork. No pork, beef, processed meats, alcohol, beer, or soda for me in 6 years. Whoa, whoa. Why no beef, though? Yeah, energy, that's right, yeah. so inspiring. Yeah, it's really inspiring.
All right. Oh, there we go. Broke the highs here. Very nice.
Yeah, go do your thing, Robbers Trader. See ya, man.
Am I gonna add? No, I'm not gonna add to this. I'm not gonna add anything here.
Yeah, facts energy. That's great. Yeah, I more so watch when I watch Nick trade. I watch his actions the most. Yeah, because actions speak louder than words, right? So I'm always looking at the actions of the people who I want the the results of.
You watch. I go up. I go to the bathroom. Go hang out with Anna for a minute.
Yep.
Can we break the highs again? We already broke previous highs here. Can we do it again?
It's good to see Melly, my man.
Nick, you do a giveaway today on the
Yeah, I'm gonna do the giveaway. We'll do it tomorrow. I'll pick the IG names. If you guys want to participate in the giveaway, all you gotta do is come to my Instagram account, comment on this picture, leave a like and comment, and we're gonna select like 6 random winners tomorrow. Mañana. I'll give you guys time to comment and all that. Yeah.
Hey, we're feeling amazing
here. What up?
No, I'm sorry.
No, I was saying not a lot of volume.
Yeah, 15 starting to like range.
I know.
Looks like.
I might be in this for a bit.
Yeah. Yeah, facts energy. What's up, energy? How we feeling?
We're feeling.
How you doing?
How you doing? How you doing?
What did we
Yeah,
get?
Nick, how was
How was what?
How's the gym, bro? Did you hit the gym after session?
Yes, sir.
You like that, right? Way better going to sleep before London?
Yeah, I'd rather nap before London and then stay up.
Yeah, I feel you. Yeah. I would have done that too if it was up to me.
Better.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
For me. Yeah.
You do that today, John?
Yeah, I'm gonna do that today. Yep.
Try it out, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna experiment.
Might be good, yeah.
Yeah, it could be way better without even knowing.
It's money. It's actually money. And then when you
price change,
because I'm getting the same.
Yeah.
Because I'll be getting the same amount of sleep anyways, so you get it beforehand. It's smarter. Yeah.
It's just sleep. You just sleep twice instead of just like one small.
Yeah.
Right.
Exactly. Yeah, at least this one you get uninterrupted. So like before, I was
Facts.
sleeping for like an hour and a half, interrupted, London session. Go to sleep, only for 2 hours, interrupted, New York session. So it was a bit tough.
Yeah, facts, dude.
But much better now. And you get a nice solid workout in the morning.
Yeah.
You don't have to wait till the afternoon.
That's my favorite time to do things too, is in the morning.
W.
Give myself a lot of time.
Yeah, energy. That's powerful message right there. Thank you. I mean, that's also why we're doing it, because inspiring people leads to so much fulfillment for oneself. So, and I mean, yeah, the whole universe just aligns with you. You feel like when you begin to find like a community like this, where we can just help and strengthen each other every single day.
Facts. Yeah, energy. I agree. I love it. Not like this community. This community is my family now. You know, that's how close I am. You know, with this community, I see it as my family.
Familia.
Yeah, 4 hours bearish here. Could be a fake out.
All right, gang. I'm gonna close half my position right here. Move stops to BE and let it run. Great trade.
All right.
W. Half closures. We'll let the rest run. Just escaped. Just escaped on that. W.
I think we're breaking that high. We could push up here.
Yeah,
That could be like a
push up
barcode
now.
on a 1-off. Yeah.
I close half my position, so we should just juice at this point.
W, man, you were like 1800 in drawdown.
Hey, who held? Anyone stayed in?
I think a lot of people got stopped right there when that push happened. That was pretty
Yeah, I mean, there was so many opportunities to skate out at BE too, so I don't blame you guys if you guys skated out there.
Yeah, hero of the day is in.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, good luck, guys.
Yeah, slide, that happens. I mean, it's only a combine, so it's fine.
Yeah.
But yeah, that can happen. The drawdown thing, yeah, we might need to learn that too. Might get a little lesson.
A little lesson.
With that trading drawdown. Yeah.
Just
nah, slide.
Push,
I think it's a major hack slide to look at it like, yo, I'm buying the drawdown, right? I don't have 150K. I have the drawdown of that combine. Yeah, I think if we start trading and risking according to that drawdown that Top Step gives us, I think that's way better.
I agree.
Honestly.
I agree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, me too. It's more realistic.
Only makes sense. Yeah, it is more realistic, 100%.
Okay, I'm out at break even. So yeah, W management tried to poke at that bear a bunch of times here, but kept knocking. I don't know. It doesn't seem like we have enough volume here currently, but I'll take that win. I think we closed half my position at about 19 pips. Really wanted a big push out of that, but wasn't able to fulfill our needs and wants. Still holding? Nice. What does that mean? That means I closed 80% of my position. So I had 4 contracts open. I closed 3 of them right there. I left 1 contract in, and then that one got hit at B. Hey, you're welcome, CM. Later, Harry. Have a great day. Later.
Yeah, traders next door. I'll see you in London session, man.
W.
There's
See you
next
in
door.
London, my friend.
See you
Yeah,
there.
and red day, you know, man. It's all good because we might like lose a few battles just to win the war. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's all good. We get it all back. You know the mindset already.
Oh yeah. 100 trades, right? I'm always
Yeah,
looking at the
facts.
next 100 trades.
Facts. Yeah, I think that was a smart idea to close. If it drives, it drives. So
Yeah,
one of
'cause
those trades, you know.
You were tapping that resistance level too, right there to the
right
left.
here. Yep, that's why I
Yeah.
did it.
That's why I was like second thinking buys on the break of that high for me personally.
Here comes the juice box.
Oh yeah. And yeah, Daniel, I needed that loss because I was at 100% win rate in my fresh account. Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
Because we can get a little high on the wins, and we can get a little like almost euphoria on the wins if you only take wins. So
Facts.
I mean, we don't really want to develop that risklessness where we tend to oversize and, you know, all that stuff. I know you're disciplined. I know you're consistent. You've been here for a long time.
Yep.
Yep. Yeah, good job, Daniel.
Let's get it, Daniel. Close that B. Too much reject. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh wait.
We need
I'm
those
too
red
far.
days. Yeah.
Yeah, you do, bro. You even need some red months. Like red months are healthy. You know, I'll take a red month for a green year, right? It's the bigger picture. It's not getting you know, it's not letting your emotions get caught in like what's happening now, but what's the potential of what could happen, right? With consistent efforts and mental toughness.
Facts, bro. Yeah. And also, if we're too high in the wins, you know, I mean, it's good to take a loss sometimes because there we learn the lesson and not being too ego driven. Instead of that, we'd be more humble. You know, humble
I agree.
and process focused. Yeah.
I agree, bro. I've blown multiple accounts, right? Just by getting high on a win streak, right?
Facts.
When you get high on
Yeah,
your
me
wins,
too.
you will dwell on your losses. And when you get high on your wins and you dwell on your losses, you bring the emotions to the table and throw out that logical plan, which is what we want to avoid, right? We want to stay attached to the process and not the outcome.
Hey, check this out.
Facts.
You guys can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Look how close
Yeah,
this
mate.
was. Watch this.
Crazy, bro.
It was like 2 pips.
Watch this.
Not even. It was like 1 pip.
Crazy, bro.
Dude, it
So-
was like sitting right on top.
So like, what made you want to stay in this and not close?
Well, we
Because
said-
we closed bearish.
Yeah, but we never closed below.
Okay. So that's what you're looking at?
Look at that. Look at my stop right there. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Yo, God,
Wow.
you just got God, bro. I think God has a lot of
Yo,
protection
hold on.
over.
I gotta stop that real quick.
Oh,
Yo,
whoa,
one
whoa.
pip can make the biggest difference. It's crazy.
Wow. That's wild.
Yeah, it's like the 15-minute breakout here looks fine, yeah, but just keep in mind that the 1 hour just closed too. So the 1 hour closed bullish, we might see some sort of like break of 15 lows or something before we begin to drive up here.
Damn.
We're also pretty close to resistance on the 30.
Does it get closer than that?
Oh wow,
Wow, dude.
Is it that
No.
dotted line right there?
Yeah, right here.
Dude,
Whoa,
what?
whoa, whoa. It tapped it. It
Bro.
tapped it.
There's a
Say what?
little space. Zoom in.
I
Brother,
think
Zoom in.
the spreads
The-
must have been 0.
yeah, I feel like this happens a lot, bro. So I think you just got God on your side.
Wow.
We all got God on our side.
Oh.
But
Wild. It looked like it was about to push right through too.
Yeah, it did. What's the chance, man?
Hey.
And the
Take it.
spreads too. I mean, that must be 0.
Yeah, it was. Someday it's your day, you know, someday it ain't. I guess today happened to be my day.
you're
Yeah,
the
I
best
remember,
with that,
like-
bro.
I remember like four weeks ago or something. Like 3 or 4 weeks ago, you hit like sniper, you know, entries with
Oh yeah.
straight entry, straight stop loss, you know.
Yeah.
Sniped
Then
on the
it's
way
just
out.
wherever-
Sniped on the way out.
Wherever Nick puts a stop, that's where you should put your stop because, bro, the amount of times we come 1 or 2 pips from it and just going back to TP is crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, that happened a few times.
Yeah.
So yeah,
That's
that's
a
the
stop
trade.
loss genius.
Yeah, that's it. That's the trade. Now we're ranging. You can pretty much use this as a resistance level now, and then, you know, new buys are pretty decent, but I think you got to close back above here.
Low-key pretty choppy.
Yeah.
30-minute,
Yeah,
15
it
minute.
is, actually.
Gold's tough today.
Look at the 30-minute.
Like, I wouldn't even take buys in that range, honestly.
Yeah, it's tough.
Nah, bro, I mean, the best would be like some sort of sells below that, but
Yeah.
Even that is pretty tough because of the 15.
Yeah.
Right. 15 looks sharp.
True. But I think that'll do it for us today. I think we will head off into the clubhouse. I think that was a great session. Way to just hold strong in that trade. I mean, there was nothing else we could really do. We never had any closures go against us or anything like that for the most part. Had a little scare, right? I mean, it's October 30th. I mean, it gets spooky out here. You know what I mean? You got to expect a little scare here and there. A little boo, you know what I mean? But all in all, way to manage that trade well. I told myself if we crack that high again, we got to do something, right? So close the partials there, move stops to BE. B gets tapped, and now we let gold do its thing, and we just wait for the next best setup. But way to stay composed, way to not quake. I don't think I've seen one quaker, not one. Actually, I think I might have seen one, but just one is good. That's no big deal. But yeah, Magnus, John, I guess we're over and out to the clubhouse.
I bet.
Anything
Very
you
good
wanna-
time here.
Anything you
Thanks
want to
for
tell
being
the
here too.
chat? Maybe come on in. Come on over to the clubhouse.
Yeah, chat. We're just missing you.
Come
We're
with us.
missing y'all in the clubhouse. That's it.
Yeah,
Come
Chad,
on.
you already heard all the people speaking good about it. I mean,
Yeah. We'll be in there for another 3-4 hours. So a lot of trading opportunities here. There's gonna be a lot of great gems dropped, and gonna have a great connection with everyone in the chat too. So
Yes,
pull up.
sir. Is $100 enough to begin? It's enough to begin learning, but not to make a bunch of money. So you can use that as an account that you start to test things on and learn things and all that. And then yeah. By the way, don't forget we're doing a giveaway here. We got 4 25K challenge accounts to go out. We have 2 50K challenge accounts that are going out to some lucky people who comment on this picture right here. Cool. So if you want to enter, just leave a like, leave a comment, follow my Instagram. And, oh, wait, what? Question, do the Instagram have to be public? No, you good. As long as I can message you back, we good. Cool. Boys, I'll see you in the clubhouse.
so cool, man.
All right,
Yes,
peace,
sir.
bro.
Ladies and
See you,
gentlemen,
Magnus. See you, Nick.
Magnus,
Peace.
Johnny Gems, over and out. Chat, I hope
Peace,
you
Nick.
guys have a great rest of your day.
Peace, Chad.
Please do not over risk. Do not over trade. If you took a loss today, that's a-okay. Don't worry about it. Come back, look for the next best setup. All right. Over and
Still
out.
chatting.
man. Enjoy
That's the plan.
Enjoy all 3 verses, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Later, chat.
See ya. Peace, Chad. Great for being here.
Adios, amigos. See you in the clubhouse. Later.
Yeah, I'm about to step in the ring for the fight of my life. Hit my knees and I strap on my gloves. Boy, I've been prepping since like I was 7. And thing is, I'm already covered in blood. Walking in love, this for the ones who've been stuck in the mud. Searching for hope. Trust me, I know what it feel like to drown in my problems. But God came and threw me the rope. Can't wait to look in his eyes. All of my life, I've been battling lies. I found the truth and took off my disguise. Come from my head, I still live for the prize. Whoa. I was in the city going down, trying to blow. Everything changed when I learned to let it go. Hopping on stage, I ain't in it for the show. Only got one life, so I gotta let them know. Talk about real. I seen a man's whole bad hill. I seen a woman drooling out the mouth. I seen the demons in the casket out. I seen my brother throw his whole vape in the lake. Seen smooth heal from the dark. I seen the spirit change my own heart. Can't tell it all, but this a good start. K to the second letter. Who got the
keys to the Jeep and the Hiller. They ain't never been realer. I am not shook, I'm aligned, didn't chill. My face blue steel, I ain't never been stiller. Ooh, KB ain't gotta get bigger. Ooh, Southside sing killers, bring light to the dark spots. Wake up, I didn't make up this God, the divine concealer. On the bread of heavens like the red and black 11s, walking through the pearly gates. Bobby do the most, I'm in the Holy Ghost. I'm looking like the Pope swerving race. They gon' get the word today. I send a text back, never curved the fate. Jesus, curses break, slaves get freed and the words awake. Ever seen a dope dealer? Cold killer, gold brother crying on the floor with us. Cause your hoe hit him, had a hole in him, now you got a hole in it. Tell him the Dead Sea here. We the new Israel, Israel, God really lives here. Watch the sin here, way more to tell. We begin here. We begin here. I put my hand on the Bible, the Lord is my witness that KB is closer than blood. I got that HGA tatted right next to my heart, so you know it's gonna always be love. Don't need no contracts or labels, you know we got him a seat at my table. Hovey little bro, so I'm willing and able. I keep some riders at home in the stable. Whoa, 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 I done told it all, but I still got more. Remember when the folks got killed next door? Partner told me sell pills, not blow. Shorty told me my career won't blow. Swear I don't care about the status. Why would I clout chase when God is my daddy? Take all my records, my money, my Grammys, I'm still gonna die richer than you can imagine. Jesus the king, I'm his prophet. Send me to Nineveh, I get it poppin'. They see an interview, swear I ain't with it. I say come see what I do in my city. From cooling with Kendrick to walking through Romans with people in prison. Let me stop talking cause man, I've been did it. Can't let my left hand on my right position. Y'all just gonna have to see when I transition. I can't tell it all, man. Let's go.